What up, chat? What up, what up, what up? Good morning, good morning. Give me 1 second, hold on. Sounds good. All right, chat, what's going on, man? What's going on, guys? Let me switch my browser screen. What up, chat? Good morning, good morning. What's going on, what's going on? Yes, yes, AGGRO day, DJ Gold, looking lovely, looking nice. Chat, hope you guys had a wonderful session, man, because London looked pretty good. London looked pretty volatile, man. Pretty volatile here. Yeah, so today is gonna be quite interesting. Let me change my volume and the sound so loud. All right. So today's gonna be quite interesting. You have a lot of volume for gold, you have a lot of volume for GJ. Today is more of, for me, I'll say, of an AGGRO day today. Haven't slept in 24 hours straight every session. Damn. You crazy. Yeah. Let me just send this. Let me send my links first. Boom. And mods. There you go. Alright. Yeah, it was a pretty volatile London session for the most part. For those who trade London here, pretty volatile. GJ, we discussed GJ last night during the Asian, or before the Asian, actually, way before the Asian. We discussed that around like 4 p.m. before the Asian opening. And we discussed how this weekly candle had pretty much clean traffic to drive up towards like 163.800. I believe if you were in the Discord last night, you guys would have saw the analysis. Honestly, we just followed the analysis and that was it, right? I mentioned how you get closure above 161.365, and then you can take your buys up. You got closure above, and from there it was pretty self. Let me just move everyone real quick. Straightforward. From there it was pretty straightforward. Gotta change that real quick. Yeah, it was pretty straightforward after you broke above that resistance, but let's get into it real quick. So today you have GP news, or you have pound news at around 7 a.m. here. You have a little speech going on. It should be interesting, but it's gonna be at 7 a.m. in about 18 minutes here. And then you have USD news at 8:30, and then you also have yen news at 7:30 today. So Not much going on today for the most part. I think this week should be a pretty chill week. I think Tuesday, tomorrow should be chill. Wednesday should be chill, and then Thursday looks pretty chill. Thursday you have core PCE price index, and Friday should be pretty chill. You have NFP on Friday. I think NFP is what is the most volatile news event this week. But I honestly don't think NFP would even do anything to price. Honestly, considering everything that's going on right now, inflation and war. I don't think this will do much to price, to be honest, but let's see. We'll see on Friday. All right. But yeah, let's take a look. Let's do our quick low analysis here. So starting off with gold here. Let's start off with gold real quick. So the weekly on gold here is bullish, right? The weekly on gold is still bullish overall. I know right now we're bearish. We're creating a bottom wick, but we have no top wick here. So at any given point this week, we can actually flip bullish to drive up towards next resistance, which is up here at 2000, right? That's roughly my target for the week. Looking left, I'm just basically marking this up as a support level right around here and a resistance right around here. This is just a range formed, and as we're starting to close bullish at support, there's a very high probability that price may drive up to retest the highs here at 2000. So I will be looking for buys today off the weekly, or not buys today, sorry. Off this week I'm looking for buys overall until this low gets broken. The moment this low gets broken, then okay, cool, buys are invalid. There's no buys for the week, right? However, looking at the daily shows that you are bearish, obviously, and it looks like we have a daily fake out, right? At this point on gold here, it looks like price has nowhere else to go but 1917, I believe, which is going to be roughly these levels down here. Because look at this. So you have this range formed here, right? This range on gold formed, and then you have this resistance over here. You have resistance over here, you have support right here. This is just a simple range formed. So as price is now breaking back into the range here, right? We discussed how this candle here, you can just kind of just avoid it, it's a doji. But this candle right here, the moment this kind of low broke, then there's a high possibility that we drive back into the range now, because we're breaking these lows, and volume should drive price down towards next support level, which is down at 1917, 1920 mark. So that level should get tapped today. I'm obviously bearish today, and if I want sells today, I want to probably see if we can, I mean, look at the 4-hour candle, right? So the 4-hour candle closed back within this range here. You have resistance here, and then you have some type of support down here, and this is the range that we're breaking back into. I believe once this 4-hour candle flips bearish, price should be able to make its way down towards the next support at 1916 here. Can I do something like this for the week? All right, stuck to something like this for the day. Sorry, for the next 4-hour candle coming down towards the next support at 1916 here. So if I'm looking for positions today, if I'm looking for sells today, I want to see us probably this hourly candle close bearish here. We get some type of onion play here. So you have some type of support right here, and then I guess you can say you have some type of, or right here, some type of resistance being created right now. Technically speaking, this is your overall range, right? But this is your most recent resistance somewhere right here. So focus on this. If this is your overall range formed here on gold, from here to here, if we close bearish in about 13 minutes here, the top of the range, the next hourly candle should drive down to retest lows at 1928. So I will be looking for sells go down towards those levels. I think the stops for this candle will be roughly like 29 pips. TP will be roughly 30 pips here. So it's not bad. You can probably leave runners as well coming down towards the day target at 1917. So something to look forward to. But there probably won't be positions for another, I'll say 12 minutes here, right? So just be patient and wait for this closure, and you may get some positions at around 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. here. All right. So that is what I'm looking for today, chat. Yeah, not bad at all. This 30-minute account might push potentially, but let's see what happens here. This 15 has no bottom wick here, so you guys know what that means. I think it might probably pull back. It's also the last 15 of the hour candle here, so expect like a little pullback before we start to drop down towards like 1926. But yeah, wait for the closure here, and then you should be good. All right. That is gold. Let's move on to the next pair, which is gonna be GJ. Volatile. So the weekly, last week this is the first time, chat, the first candle ever on a weekly that actually closed above the range, right? So we have never, ever closed above this range before looking left. The weekly has rejected here, rejected here, rejected here. And this candle this week closed bullish above the range. Therefore, you expect to drive up, obviously, right? If you're looking for sells, we got what to tell you. If somebody was really trying to sell a GJ this week, then you might need to reevaluate here. But looking left here, this is your overall target. I know price didn't close completely above the range here, but with overall price structure and momentum, like, we're still in favor to drive up, even though we never closed above the range here. We closed below the resistance, but it's still a bullish candle, right? So as long as this low gets respected down here, price should technically drive up towards next resistance, which is up here at 163.819. So that level got tapped pretty nicely on GJ for the week, which doesn't mean we're going to reject it yet. It just means that we tapped the first weekly target. And I believe once you re-break the highs at 164.686, your next target is going to be roughly at like 166.887. So you do have more range to drive up. You just need to re-break this highs here. But overall, that's the week. The daily candle obviously came up as well. Tapped target. Starting to retrace now. It tapped target at 163.820. And now starting to retrace here. I mean, I'm still bullish here. I believe what's happening right now is it's a new forward candle opening. Forward candle opened up, created a bottom wick. I believe once this forward candle flips bullish, it should be able to drive up towards next resistance to fill this wick and fill the rest of the range next. So this wick fill, I believe it's gonna be around like 50 pips, and then the break of the highs of that daily candle should then take you up towards next resistance, which is gonna be somewhere at like 164.692 levels probably. Once you re-break the daily highs, or sorry, no, daily highs are where 164.700. So if you can re-break the highs, then you're looking at probably up here then 165.628 for the day if that high were to re-break, right? But that wick fill should get filled. The question is, are we gonna break this high here today? But if you can anticipate this forward candle flipping bullish, right, as we're starting to reject now, this is some type of minor support, then there's a high probability, if I'm not wrong, that once this 1 hour candle closes bullish at the support, this is your support formed. And if this is your support formed, this is your resistance up here, right? So I believe buys on the 7 a.m. candle in about 9 minutes shouldn't be bad at all. You take buys basically going up to fill the rest of the range. Something like this should be valid. The next hourly candle, the range going up is gonna be like, I think that's 60 pips if I'm not wrong, 67 pips on GJ in that little range. So I mean, you have volatility everywhere today. You have volatility on gold, and you have volatility on GJ. Very volatile today. All right. So yeah, chat. That's what I'm looking for today. Should be a pretty simple day. I mean, let's see what happens here. But for the most part, looking very simple. Did we tap a daily support if I'm not wrong? Or this 4 count? Did we tap a daily? Let's see. Where did we tap this 4 hour candle? No, nothing. Oh yeah, I guess some minor. Yeah, it's minor support rejected, driving up now. Yeah, it should fill like 163.700 again. Like 700, 800 levels should tap that level pretty nicely. And that's also gonna be somewhere near the wick fill or on near flip as well. So just wait for this 1 hour candle. All right, should be good. Stops are gonna be like current 1 hour lows, so it's gonna be like 35 pips roughly, around 4 pips. TP's gonna be like 70 pips. Because using current candle lows, right? Unless you want to use previous candle lows, which is going to be a lot steeper, man. It's 100 pips. But you gotta adapt, you gotta adapt to the ranges. You have more volume, which means more ranges, which means bigger stops, right? You can't really do much about that. What up, chat? It's been a long time. It's been a long time. Chat, wait, yes, seen this last night? You guys watch the Oscars? Man, I tried to be the first ones before everyone started making this meme. I knew it was gonna be a meme. The moment I saw this, I'm like, all right, someone's definitely gonna post some type of meme here. Let me just try to do it first. And I'm not gonna lie, we were the second one to do it. The first one was some random page. Where's recent? I check a recent post. Most recent. Okay, so trading memes. Yeah, no, we did way before that. Where is it? See, everyone started doing it after. Yeah, this is us right here. This is the first one right here. This is the first one. Some guy was like, the guy who told me to buy BTC at 69K, and then this is us. So we lost him by like 40 minutes, but you know, and then some other people did it after. But I knew it was gonna be I just knew everyone was gonna use this photo to post some type of trading meme. Where's the next resistance here? Yeah, you can probably the temp run into your chat because there's a high possibility that once you fill this wick or once you flip on this forward candle and you fill the wick, you're gonna drive up towards the 165, 430. So I want to see why not. A little fake on a 30-minute time frame, 1 hour support formed. This should be a nice 30-minute candle drive up. Very solid. Chris Rock kept the pro though. I mean, he had to. He was on live television. I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw it, I was like, this gotta be fake, right? I saw on Twitter, I'm like, this looks fake. Okay, this gotta be fake. And then I'm like, oh no, it wasn't fake. Definitely wasn't fake. Cause like, why would they allow Will Smith to square on live TV? I was like, can't be fake.
What's up?
What up, Marcos? What up? What up? What up?
You got a Will Smith the market this morning?
Yeah. Will Smith the market. Is that a new term?
Yeah.
Will Smith the market.
There was no sound for it. It wasn't like a slap sound. It was like a punch sound. It would have been cool if there was a sound for it.
Oh, wasn't that loud, right? It was like...
It wasn't staged. If it was staged, it would have been like a loud slap noise and like all this stuff.
I'm trying to figure out these ranges here. Nah, if it was fake, he wouldn't have swore. I thought it was fake at first because Will slapped him and started walking back, smiling, like smirking. I was like, huh. Yeah, this 5 just dropped here. Nice. Yeah, we might not get gold, but we might get GJ instead because the hour count's pulling back on GJ, which is good. But gold for the most part just drove down. We were expecting these levels to get tapped. It was very high probability for it to get tapped, but obviously we drove before the alley candle even closed in. Let's see, we trace back for a bit and get a nice wick fill coming down, but let's see. Looks like GJ might be our play here. 7 a.m. move chat, early move today. How big is his runner position? If you hold runners today, your runner position is 200 pips. Wow. Was there not a 30-minute onion on gold in the last 30 when the previous candle closed bearish? Yes, it was. It was. Our clocks went forward on Sunday, FYI. Not my clocks. I think your clocks. Like your if you were in London, in the UK or something.
The EU is catching up with us. They're going back to like 5 hours ahead.
Yeah, these. Wait, was it? Whose clocks is it? Because we changed our clocks like we changed early clocks. We changed our clocks like 3 weeks ago. Yeah, but yeah, this was a 30-minute onion play. Yeah, it was. I just wasn't up for it. This is it. This is a pretty nice play. You had the 1 hour close. I mean, it was a bullish 1 hour candle, but 30-minute candle closed bearish here, and the next candle just drove down to retest the lows. Wasn't bad. Pretty nice move driving down to retest the lows. Yeah, there's a slight chance we would have filled the range here. I was waiting for the alley candle, but it's okay because you have GJ noise. You have GJ in about 26 seconds here. Chat, what I want to see this next candle come up, create a bottom wick, and then once you create a bottom wick and you tap like 163, 197, and then on the flip of that candle is what is your entries, all right, or the break of the highs, depending on where we close there. Probably the break of the highs because it's not that big of a difference here. Never mind, that's 10 pips. That's 10 pips on GJ. Wow. Yo, Margo, see this volume on GJ? Holy shit.
It's a 100 pip stop loss for previous candle.
We're using current candle probably. There's no way.
That's right. It just opened up with like 5 pips.
Yeah, that might be the bottom wick, chat. If we break this high, that might be the bottom wick. See, if we tap into something, just tap into these levels here. Yeah, you might tap like 163.407, or you might tap into like 163.200. If you tap within these areas and you break the highs, then that'll be the buys. But if you tap within these areas, the flip will be the buys.
400 minimum is that 5 support.
Yeah.
408. 15, yeah, 15 support. 408, 407.
Wixon's gonna wake up and be like, what the fuck happened? TP 164. No, TP is runner position. So if you want TPs, it's gonna be overall like 165.430. And stop loss will be roughly like current candle low. So I mean, let's see how big stops are. But chat, I'm gonna have a buy stop here on the break these highs right here at 163.614 here, right? Stop loss is the current candle low. And TP, oh, not sell stop, wrong one. I have a buy stop right around here at 163.625 here. If we create a steeper wick, then I'll move it to the current 1 hour low, 1 hour high, sorry. But for now, it's gonna be the previous kind of high. TP is gonna be roughly like 165.430. At this level, I'm gonna close like 75% and then let the rest run towards these areas for the daily runners. And then stop loss is the current candle lows wherever that low is being created. So if this is a low and get activated, then the stop loss is 25 pips. All right. We're tapping to this minor support here, so it's either we get a bottom wick here or we get a bottom wick down at 163.197. I want to keep a wick, preferably, but I mean, this is fun. Could this be the flip? What's your buy stop at?
625.
I'm on 620. Spreads are tiny. Like looking at them right now compared to like the overall ranges, it's like nothing.
A 2.5 spread.
Yeah.
So high for GJ.
Yeah, GJ is gonna be back for a couple of weeks.
The gold spread I have right now is 3.5, 3.3. It's crazy.
Yeah, chat. If you guys were like in our Discord server, like we sent the Asian session like breakdown way last night, like 5 p.m. Eastern, like 4 hours for Asian opening basically, or 3 hours for Asian opening. We marked down our targets being like 153. I think it was 153 800. I believe that was my weekly target in the Discord, in the free channel as well. If you guys saw that, you guys were taking advantage. It was pretty simple for the most part. As long as it's just like, hey, this is Asian. Wait for a closure above 1970 to come up towards daily resistance. And I mean, price came up perfectly.
Like to have support.
Yeah, I might get a flip instead. This is better because then on a wick fill we can go like half risk or go close half. It was pretty simple last night. It was a coincidence that news just play along with it too, just randomly, right? What a coincidence that they announced it right when the weekly high is getting broken or daily high is getting broken. Chat, where the GG haters at? The ones that said, I'm not trading GJ, it's so trash. Yeah, that's why you always gotta show love to both pairs, because you never know when volume will pick up for both pairs, out of pairs. Like gold can literally slow down right now and GJ can just move for the next couple of weeks. Everyone's gonna be like, I don't want to trade gold, gold is garbage. Or I'm never trading gold again. That's what I hear. I guess it's just because like they haven't been through like enough market cycles yet. Oh, nice. We have 1 hour support tapped there. So yeah, chat, I'm gonna place my buy stop a little lower now. It's gonna be at like 163,500 instead on the flip instead of the break of the highs. Now that you have a steeper wick here, right? So yeah, on the flip of his candle is what my buy stop is. And then obviously once you break the highs, that's 10 pips, and you should be able to secure 10, let the rest run. Very nice, very nice. So stops are gonna be, I mean, on the
pips.
depends, like 40 pips right now. The stop.
We're going down to 50.
Man, we're going all the way down to like 920 here. Yeah. That's 57 here.
Jesus.
Nice, nice. Keep breaking the 15 lows. Keep breaking 30 lows. Nice liquidity grab. Liquidity grab.
I'm gonna have to go half risk here. We're going real big here. Give me a 50 pip stop.
Guys, as long as this 1 hour low right here gets respected, we should be able to drive up. So it can break 30 lows, it can break 15-minute lows, but it can still respect the 1 hour low, and that's what price is doing here, right? So I believe with this candle flipping, we should drive up to get that nice wick fill in.
Have you seen that sound on TikTok where it's like, that's enough slices?
That's enough range.
It's like, he's like, that's enough slices.
I never heard that sound. I'm going TikTok.
It's perfect for this. The bottom wick just kept going. $50 pip stop loss. Yummy.
Yo, 50 pip stop loss. GJ. Same sentence.
Ridiculous.
I think this is the most volume we had in the past, like since like 2018 of GJ, I think, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, I need coffee too.
Wicks. Wicks 9 10th day for London, right? Wicks 9, I know you woke up last night. You're like, there's nothing to trade.
I did.
You catch anything?
No.
What? How do you wake up for London and not just like you wake up at 3-4, right?
Yeah, I'm done with these fucking antibiotics, dog.
Ah.
Yesterday was my last day.
Free up.
I'm done. Yeah. No, I just, they're painful. Like, they don't just hurt your stomach, they're like painful.
Yeah.
You thought you was getting these buys without me, huh?
Yep. I really thought so. Yeah, it should tap these levels pretty nicely. 164. Or no, sorry, wrong resistance. 165, 510-ish. Oh, 400-ish. Data resistance. Yeah, that should be my runner. We might have a 200 runner to the chat. Because like just think of it, just imagine this range was a bit smaller. Okay, I know everyone's freaking out now, like, oh my god, 200 pips down, there's no way, right? But just imagine just these ranges are a bit smaller, and just don't pay attention to the pips, just pay attention to the structure. What's structure telling you? Right, this structure is just telling you that you have a trend, a bullish trend. Obviously you have resistance here, you have support here. So as we close bullish on support, high chance price should come up to retest the highs, and as we retest the highs, it's a high probability that we may continue the trend. And that's why 165.407 next daily resistance is my next runner TP. And if price doesn't hit, right? But we know that at these levels here, we're closing half. Again, it's all up to you. It's all personal preference. If you do not want to close half, and you want to let the whole thing run, then let it run. And at these levels up here, I'm gonna close 75%. So I'll be closing that 25%. Then I'll be letting the rest run. I'll basically be letting 25% run for 125 pips. So if they run, they run. If they don't run, then they don't run, you know. But we all know that we're break even at that point, right? You count for spread? Yeah, but like these spreads are nothing right now compared to ranges, man. But yo, on pip spread, I got 0.8 pips. Like on my screen, it's basically no spreads.
Keep rubbing it in, dude.
You know?
Look at our UCR spreads, Wix.
How big are they?
Yeah, 2.5.
2 point. I've seen 2.6.
2.7, yeah.
Yeah, 2.7 on GJ.
Mine's 0.06. Not even a pip, man. How you feel?
Feel upset, but I have my coffee. Yo, you know what's crazy?
Yo,
We have like a sub community of Devious that is like coffee gang in the Discord. I don't know if you've seen it.
nah, where?
Show yourself in the chat. It's like a little cult within the Devious community.
Where? What channel?
A little coffee gang.
Yo, where's Coffee Gang? Community channel. Where you at?
Oh. We might need our own channel. No, we sneak within the Discord.
I've never seen that in my life. Things popping. Every morning I say GM at 6 a.m. around there, and everyone just says GM back. It's like a family.
GM. It's like it's
like a daily thing. It's like if people just know, like if people, it's like a routine now. It's like they just know. Yo, Fibonacci shows me.
Yeah, I just saw that I posted. I was like, what the? I saw it on Twitter.
What is this?
Off gang.
GXTR? How's London, man? How many pips you caught London? I know you caught a lot of pips. Don't lie to me. I know you caught quite a few pips.
Look at the community general on Discord.
Yeah, I just saw it.
Yeah.
Your coffee. I don't like coffee, chat. It crashes me every time. Yo, the other day someone in our Discord was like, yo, like you guys gotta stop with the gifs, man. It's too childish. I'm like, this is Discord community. You're just not cultured, man. Like, this is just Discord community. Yeah, it's like you can't control like what people want. Like, this is what majority of people want. I mean, I'm not controlling that. It's just it's cool. It's like You know, people want GIFs. People post GIFs. People post memes, right? At the same time, like it's not always gonna be like that. It's like we know when to take it serious. Like the chat knows. Like, look, you know, everyone knew last time when things were like moving. Like everyone's just sending text, no GIFs. But the moment we win, it's like okay, GIFs, gifts. You know.
Moms like you, choose GIF. Choose GIF.
Oh my god, we're breaking the lows.
Yo, this stop. Yo, Marcos, watch this come all the way down to 162,582 and not break the lows and flip.
We'll take a, well, in that case, we'll take like a 15 fake out or something.
Yeah.
Or yeah, something like that.
Because 59 close below, no bottom wicker, right? Right, GJ? If I'm not wrong, no bottom wick. The next 15 pops back up, and 45 candle up, or 730 candle ups. Honestly, you might just get what Wixon wants. 1 hour closure support, break the highs, boom. Yeah, no, don't be a hero here, chat. Go that size, just roll back up. Yeah, it closed right at support, right? So there's a high probability that we're gonna reject to drop back up to retest the highs, or we're gonna flutter in this range, and that's our price. They just fluttered, didn't really break out.
Too.
What close bullish?
Gold.
Oh, and this 15?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come back in range.
I can still respect the 1 hour highs, but it gets very ugly. Like this kind of moved the last 5 minutes. How big is the stop now? Oh man, 50 pips. Okay. All right, GJ. Nice.
You might see it come. You might see gold come up above range and then come back down for a fake out. That'd be nice.
Oh yeah, like the daily basically.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, daily has nowhere to go today. 20.
Look at the last 4 hour on gold, no top wick.
Yeah, no, the last two like
Last time
honestly,
I did that,
like
I came back, I made wicks for both.
yeah,
it's
it
gonna make
did.
sense.
Yeah, I was caught in trades last night.
No, I went to bed. Actually, I went to bed pretty late, but I was looking at the Will Smith stuff and then I just went to bed.
Will Smith literally smacked me to sleep. Watched it and I fell asleep. Yeah. He smacked fucking Chris Rock back to fucking New Jack City.
Now, what do you think of the idea if we get a 15 closing bullish, take the buys instead, anticipate the flip, we get better stops? That's more of a cowboy entry. Like, yeah, it's not. That's not the worst idea, but that'll be more of your cowboy entry, and the safer entry would be our flip, the more conservative entry. I'm taking the conservative entry. I'm taking the flip of the 1 hour candle. Patience, chat. Patience.
Breaking the low. Something in the water eats at 3,400.
Pardon?
It eats at 3,400.
I know. I was looking at I was on Texas last night. I was like,
You know what's crazy? I don't know if you have it. The 3-month chart on
okay,
Bitcoin.
no, there's no shot I have 3 month chart.
So like, yeah, it's crazy. Or like the it's basically like called the quarterly chart. It came all the way down and then closed bullish. Crazy. I know. No top wick though. Top wick theory.
No, it's also like the what was it, the weekly I think, or the monthly? Like it just has clean traffic towards 34 now. Like, and if it closes in 3 days, oh brother, next month we should tap like 36. Like we've been saying this since like the 1st of March. Like we said how wait for the bottom wick. I think it took 15 days. 15 days for the bottom wick, right?
How are we not in the Sunyan play?
For yourself.
Chat, I'm not gonna lie, if stops get too big, I'm just gonna delete the buy stops, and then wait for like a 8 AM candle or something, because right now stops are 50 pips, 60 pips, but man,
Stops are officially bigger than gold. It's been a while. When was the last time I looked like that was the discretion? Like it was bigger than gold. This range is like what 40 pips on
Last
gold?
year. Last year, I think it was, let's see, I think it was around like before summer. Like October, yeah, October, it was pretty decent. Gold's pretty trash. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, October around there.
It was trash, but like gold still always had big ranges.
Yeah. No. It'll swap. No, the last one was when like I think you were saying, yo, I'll never train GJ again. That was the last time.
I remember that was a
You're like,
fun
I'll
day.
never train GJ ever again.
There was also that one day where I was like, I'm not taking cells the rest of the month. Oh geez, remember. Or do we just break the lows?
Yeah, it might. I don't know, the lows, I count on this. I don't expect it to break the lows once out candle, but if it does, it does. Like 162 chat, 500 is your low, 540. So if it breaks its low, then yeah. But let's see.
I expect it to come back up and make a top wick.
Yeah.
You're
On this out.
Down at like 600.
This 15 is still in the support level as well.
15 respected the previous 15. And the 30 and the hourly don't have a top wick. Chances are it's going to come up and make one. Until then, just sit on your hands.
Gold just broke one of our highs.
You don't take any sells here, and you're waiting for a flip, and there's nothing else to do.
Yeah, chat. Don't just be careful on buys here for those taking buys on gold. I know people are saying, oh yeah, but you know, I want to retrace this whole entire move because I missed it from London. Structure, my friend, structure, right? It's a range from breakout, right? So what you probably want to see is something like the wicks I said earlier. You want to see us break out the range like this, and then next candle, if it decides to come back into the range, closes bearish, then that's your sell candle, because now it's a fake out back into the range. And then with the overall trend being bearish though, you should get a continuation of the trend to continue down towards next resistance, right?
It's the trade. That's a trade you can take, and that's the next closest possible idea on gold. Everything else will take a little more time to develop. It's a record, right? Correct? 3166, 3166. Okay, 1712. 1712. Okay, cool, perfect. Yeah. LOL. I'm in cells.
Nice. Yeah, if you're in cells, be in cells. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, it's your position. It's your analysis. And trust your analysis. Forget what I say. Trust your analysis, right? I'll say that. Don't get discouraged by my analysis. I'm just waiting for buys here. Price flips, it flips. Doesn't flip, then cool. We can probably see price drive. I believe the sells will be better though below the 1 hour lows. If this 1 hour breaks the lows, then you can probably see a nice push down towards like 200 levels. Pretty nice. 15-minute flip. Uh-oh.
SpaghettiOs.
This music's kind of boring, man.
It's challenging. It's like an extra challenge. Like trading is already boring, but we're gonna hit you with this shit. Make it harder. Here.
There's no lit music.
Turn on your ringtone.
Don's memory's insane. It's because, think about it. I stream every day, right? So I have a good idea of when things can happen. Like I have good memory in terms of market. Like, okay, when was the last time price moved? Like I can't remember every day that happened in the markets the past year because I streamed it. Because I hyper analyze. Like I do a lot of analysis in my day. Like on stream. A lot of thinking, a lot of seeing, a lot of patience, a lot of waiting. So I kind of visually remember the ideas and what happened. You can ask me anything, and I'll probably remember. Ask me about a trade. I'll remember the trade too, probably.
Weather in June 2004.
You know, it was nice 24 degrees in Toronto, probably.
Like it always is in June. Congrats on the win.
2 kilometers an hour. No
Did you take a
wind.
trade before I hopped on?
Me?
Yeah.
No, Stersky.
Oh,
I didn't catch anything last night.
we're being congratulated on a win.
I didn't catch anything. Friday's good, man. Why need to, you know? Why need to trust? Friday's a good day, chat. Oh shoot, gold buys. Sorry, chat. I gotta take that off my screen. Why don't you guys tell me that? That was from Friday. Oops.
I didn't see that. Which reminds me, drop a like.
Thank you. You're far too kind. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. This volatility ending, chat. Looks like we're gonna have volume for quite some time.
5-minute close below.
Yeah, let's see. If we fuck, man, these stops are massive. I might just delete them and just I'll probably just have them here, and if like stops get too big, then I mean we'll use another account stop, like 15 and 30-minute stops. But I guess I'll have them here for now until we break one of our lows. Because like it's not we're gonna flip off the rip. We're gonna see it flip probably.
Yeah, just don't want to delete them, and 20 minutes later or 10 minutes later be putting in the same exact numbers.
Yeah. It's just annoying. So I'm just gonna leave them, and we'll use another time from stop, like 15 or 30 probably, chat. So. But nobody right now should be in a buy right now. Nobody. There's no buys until you actually flip here. So don't be a hero. Wait for price to actually flip. All right. GJ, if next 5-minute close bullish at support, anticipating as low. Current 1 hour I think buys when next 5-minute breaks highest. It's valid. Yeah, it's not the worst idea. It's you can actually anticipate the lows being created. Yeah. But it's more of a cowboy entry. It's like you can get stopped out a lot of times, but I mean, it's up to you, man. It's more of a cowboy entry. The more conservative entry, safer entries will be the flip.
Yeah, but by your 6-3 entry, your RR is gonna be really good.
Yeah, your RR from down here is obviously like, I mean, my TP anyways is gonna be like 165 anyways, 400. So this TP is gonna be 200 pips, but yeah, I mean, this will give you a better advantage, I guess, in terms of runner positions surviving.
It's just your first 5 or 6 tries might not survive.
And that's because an issue, because then it'll just balance out like, she just waited for the flip. Should just play it safe, you know. 5-minute fake out on gold, back into the range. Nice. 15-minute fake out, back into the range.
It's doing it. Oh. It's a 5 fake out, not the 15 actually.
How down? What's going on?
You're fucking up so heavy.
Whose mic is that? I was a hero. Nice. Did you survive? Did you survive the... Do y'all secure profits at 10 pips? No. But 95% of the time, yes. 95% of the time I do. This 30 gotta close respecting that support if it wants to drive up here. It's gotta close above 163.
Or we get a fake out.
Yeah. Or you might just get some type of, well, maybe, but it's just the probability of us driving be a lot lower. Off this 3-minute candle at least. One hour didn't break the highs on gold, so it can still flip her, chat. 1 hour kind of not break the highs at all. You can still flip. Interesting. Closing bearish on the 15 as well. Nice. Nice little 15-minute onion play.
Bearish below resistance as well.
30, yeah. Interesting. Probably want to see the top wick though tap like 1933 and then the flip will be your entry. How are we gonna close her? Uh-oh, 15 flipping. Or 5 flipping. Yeah, this is this 3-minute count may just drop down and fills wick here. Tap like 162.854. If it breaks that low, you might see it pop down further towards like 162.752.
Fake out. It's gonna come up.
Yeah. Well, looks like our stops gonna be a big breaking down.
Open no top wick.
Yeah, no top wick, but let's see.
Stop being a pussy. It's only a 70 pip stop.
We got buy stops. So looking for buys, we got buy stops on our screen. What time frame do you take your trades on? The weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30, 15. All the time frames that I can possibly take advantage of. All the time frames. Gold sales incoming. It's looking good. This thing might flip and just drive down here. 1 hour never broke the highs. 30-minute close below. 15 close bearish resistance. High probability, yeah.
Aggressive.
It's a bit aggressive though, yeah. Like at this point, I'll wait for sells below like 1923 probably. Because the initial sells we wanted to fill that 630, 645. Yeah, 1 hour might break the lows here. Lows are 162.538. I will delete the spy stops though if it comes down to like 745. Because at that point, wait for the ADM candle. I believe mine nice. What I will say though is that the 15 has no top wick. This 15 should flip, and as it flips, you might see it right up, and that could lead to the 1 hour candle in about 30 minutes on gold. Close bullish above the support respecting these levels here. So let's see if it pushes it. It's got to push now. Vol momentum makes sense for it to drive up if it does push, but if it doesn't push, and obviously what's happening here is price is just creating a top wick for us to drive down, right? So it's not really any, there's no really positions here or anything like that in this sense. It's more so of just like this leads to this leads to this leads to that sort of thing, but no positions to actually flip bullish. On gold broke the lows. Nice. Yeah, gold should fill 26 here probably then. 15 flipped, top wick nice. Come down 13, 10, 12 pips. Should fill his range for 30 pips. How do you determine which something to get entry on? You go on a higher time frame, you find the bias, you find the overall ranges, and then you go on a smaller time frame, and keeping the higher time frame ranges in the back of your mind, you look for buys as you form smaller ranges above or below those smaller time frame ranges. So let's say the day bias is bullish, say the 15-minute time frame creates some type of resistance support. Above that resistance will be my bias going up towards next resistance, leading you up to the higher time frame analysis. Like right now what I'm saying is, okay, well, 1 hour candle is flipping bullish here. Potentially we're starting to reject, so we didn't break the lows. Obviously there's a higher probability we might end up closing this 1 hour candle above 163 here, if you're anticipating this 15-minute candle to flip bullish here and break above these ranges. So that's what's kind of playing in the back of my mind right now. And obviously once you flip bullish, then that would be my entry for price to drive up towards next resistance. Same thing on gold here. Gold for the daily is target is 1920, 1917. We mentioned that earlier today. The 1 hour candle never broke the highs. It created a top wick, never broke the highs. So very high chance you flip bearish and drive down here off this 1 hour candle if we were starting to reject. So entries could have been on the 15-minute time frame as you close bearish at resistance, because keeping the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frame in the back of your mind, this candle should overall drive down now towards like 1928, 1926 levels, and retest the lows and then play around that range afterwards. Capiche? Yeah, Juju should flip her. This 15 should ride price up. This 5 should drive up towards like 163.098 here. And then as you tap those levels, the 30-minute candle may close or 1 hour may close respecting that support. And then the next hour candle at 8 AM will be your positions probably. Or it might flip before a 1 hour candle, who knows? Do you keep the eye on DXI in relation to gold? No. What's the point? You see it all on gold. Gold tells you everything already. There's no point of using these like these volume indicators or looking at DXY for confirmations, right? It's like you know the direction of the DXY while looking at gold already. Overall, you know when a dollar is strong, you know when a dollar is weak. Like you know off of fundamentals already too. Why sell 923 down 925? Because the ranges here are very small. Like it's not bad. Below 25, you can price it down towards 23. It's like 25 pips, but below 23, you're gonna have cleaner traffic, driving price down towards like 17, which is our daily target, right? So that range is a lot bigger and a lot nicer. 60 pips. Like honestly, the range I want to avoid today is this range, and the range I want to catch is probably gonna be this range. And you want to avoid this range, obviously. This would be your clean catch of the day. Man, physically I haven't streamed in so long, chat. Like Friday was such a long time ago. Muted? I'm not muted. Right? Am I muted? I'm not muted, right? Yeah. Probably gonna delete the bias stops, to be honest. How was your weekend? A lot of food. A lot of food. Had like dinner on, had a concert on Friday, and then had a dinner on Saturday, and I had a dinner yesterday as well. So yeah, a lot of food. How much you spend? The bill on Saturday, the concert was like 1,000, 1.2, and then the bill on Saturday was like 800, I think.
Ballin'.
Could buy myself some nice pants.
What kind of food?
It was like Brazilian steak. And the dinner yesterday was free though, so someone else paid. So yeah.
You're a Forex guy now. You're a Forex lifestyle.
Forex lifestyle.
Forex lifestyle.
Don't cry.
You know, like I'm okay with spending that much money on clothes and stuff. Like clothes for sure. I wouldn't usually do that, but food, it's kind of new to me still. It's very new to me. Like food, clothes though, I've been doing that since I was like grade 9. You know, spending thousands on clothes like since grade 9. But food, oh brother, you eat it and it's like, oh, what happened? But I guess it's for the nice time.
Where'd it go?
Yeah, it's like the time, you know, because clothes is different. Clothes you buy, you just resell it, right? Like you buy like a, I don't know, something, a hoodie or a Balenciaga hoodie or whatever. You just resell it when you get bored of it. But clothes, man, you eat that, it's gone. It's gone. Depends on what you buy though in terms of clothes, but when I buy food, man, for me it's a liability. Expensive food at least. But if you buy clothes, it's an asset. Just resell it.
Don't cry.
Like everything I bought I might close that buys are resellable. Like this right here. These pants were I bought for 4K at the time, Chrome Hearts, right? And then I sold it for 5, I think. Like 3 months after, or 6 months after, or something, half a year after. And right now, or right after I sold it, fucking Drake wore it, then wore it, and then boom, skyrocketed. Went to like 9-10K, and it's like fuck. But it's all like resellable. So I have trouble buying clothes that I can't resell. Cause I know I'm gonna get bored of it one day. Yeah, huge amount of topic on gold. Yeah, I should flip here and come down towards like 123 or 1923. Yeah, GG's not flipping, chat. I'm gonna delete buy stops. It's the last 15 of the hourly candle. Unless we pull back really hard, but looks like it's gonna be 80 on push if anything. All right, so no positions just yet. Just be patient here. How do you sell clothes? On Grilled. You go on Grilled. Or any like third-party site. Grail's cool. They like PayPal protection and stuff, so you won't get scammed. Well, you can still get scammed, but it's very rare to get scammed. Go on this site or whatever, like they have everything basically. Let's say you go on like I don't know, let's go on Chrome Hearts for instance. You'll hear and people just resell their shit. Holy shit, man. 20K. Who is selling jeans for 4K? Right here. Here, go on Chrome Heart jeans. Right here. Wait. Where are they at? Right here, 6K. These aren't it. These are something else. I don't know why they're here. It's going like 5K or 4,000 minimum, right? Everyone 9K, 5, 6, 7, 13, 5, 5.9, 6, 7. These are mine, I think. 4, 5, 8, 17, 8, 8, 8. Yes, I fucked up. I sold too early, but yeah, it's crazy. It's fucked. It's actually fucked, but you know, people pay. You seen Will Smith? Yeah. Got a meme on it. I was gonna put something else. I was gonna put something with like, I don't know. I just thought of gold. That was the first thing that came to my mind. I was gonna put like Bitcoin or something, crypto or something. But I'm pretty sure everyone did something with crypto. NFTs.
He has a TikTok reacting to those finally.
For real?
Yeah,
Oh, he's slow at that. Come on.
It just went viral. It has like a couple million views.
Can I see it?
It's on his TikTok. Yeah, it's like one of his most recent ones.
If I post on YouTube Shorts too, right? Knowing this guy.
Maybe.
TikTok?
No. It's him sitting in a studio.
Can you send it?
I didn't post it on YouTube yet. So I got it for you.
W.
It's on Discord. Videos to react.
Something on Discord.
Beast. All right, so basically, I'm looking now to get. I'm looking now.
Gotta watch this in full volume.
To get into like, public speaking.
Like, if I were you, I would be calling into every single house in the United States of America, okay? Giving them public speaking tips in their bathroom, shower, fucking garage. Yeah, in the garage. I was eating shit for like 17 years, doing tips for free, okay? Bro, like,
I think it's a good idea to call every single house in America.
yeah, bro, like, are you making this an NFT? Yeah.
I'm not making this now.
Okay, bro, like, garage sales. I've been following all 3-4 of the impersonators pretty carefully.
This guy's the best though. Like this guy, you can't beat this guy.
Pretty.
The middle guy, yeah, the middle guy's the best guy.
Like the last guy, like, I saw his shit. It wasn't even accurate. Like I mean, I don't know.
The middle guy's good.
Yeah, middle guy's really good. He's from Toronto. He's from like.
Impersonators pretty carefully. Like a lot of good stuff's happening for them. They're
Yeah,
getting
he's so good
more
now.
shows, more money, more opportunity.
Is he the best impersonator?
This guy's a fucking beast.
All right, so basically, I'm looking now to get.
Yeah. Bro, you actually can't talk with that guy. Imagine going to VCon, paying that much for VCon to eat, and then, yo Gary. So I have his business. I'm trying to see you if I can expand it in a certain way. Gracias.
Eat shit.
Yeah, Nima. Yeah. Right, so you're a great guy. Much love, man. Much love. Yeah, chat. It's been much love. I don't know why people think we're beefing or whatever. Like, there's no beef, chat. And if there is beef, it'll be marketing. I actually don't think at this point there's a real beef in the industry. It's everything is so fucking. It's all good marketing. I don't know. I don't think there's rational beef in the industry. Happens so often, man. There's no way you can beef this often. No, you know what it is? It's not even the people, the mentors that usually beef. It's just the audience, the crowd, the community that starts like start a pot up for people. You know.
The community does it naturally. The mentors do it on purpose, knowing it's gonna start the community.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, your two mentors that you guys are arguing who's the best one, they're sitting back at home smoking a joint together.
Taking 10 pips.
Yo!
Yo!
Did you take your 10 pips? Yeah. Did you take your swing? Yeah. Nice. Let's celebrate while those fools argue.
Yo, Canada made the World Cup, bro. Woo!
What?
Canada made the World Cup. Woo!
Of what? Golf?
No, man, of soccer, the FIFA World Cup.
First time in 60 years. Canada.
Did they make it, or did they like kick Russians out because of the war and just gave?
No, we beat Jamaica. We qualified.
Canada's very good this year.
Yo, we're winning the World Cup, right, Marcos?
Happy to see you beat Jamaica. Jamaica probably showed up not to play.
Canada is very good, and they didn't even have their best player.
Yo, come to Canada this year, bro. We're gonna go.
Canada
is very good. I've been hearing Marcos say that forever.
Canada's above the U.S. in the group right now, and the U.S. has a better lineup, but Canada, they play well as a team, and they have a couple stars.
Who's their best player?
Plus, Drake is from Canada.
Alphonso Davies, he wasn't even playing.
Is he gonna play during the World Cup? Yeah, right?
Yeah, he'll play the World Cup.
He's injured
We
now.
also have Jonathan David, who's nasty.
All they got to do is put Drake and Biebs on the bench. That's it. They're winners.
Winner, chicken dinner.
How was the Bieber concert?
It was
Did he shout me
alright.
out? Did he shout me out?
It was alright. It was okay. Was it worth the money? I don't know about that.
You didn't go there with a big sign, with a big cardboard sign?
No. No.
So did he shout me out or no? He wasn't like, yo, mad love to Wix? No?
To you? Oh yeah, he did. I remember. Yeah, he did.
That he was gonna do a song about me.
He saw TT.
I like Bieber.
I can make some noise.
Yeah, I saw his opener. James Smith is opening. I didn't see Tio. I came late for that.
Gold flip. I need a closer.
So if you want really tight stops, you can try attempt number 3 on gold right now.
What?
So for those people that were trying those cowboy entries earlier, this would be attempt number 3 right now.
On GJ?
Yeah, first 2 got stopped out.
Yeah.
Eventually you'll get it.
While we're waiting here, we're just like, oh, we first thing a flip. Looking good. Don't got stress. Don't got a trip.
Guys like, yeah, I got like a 3-pip stop. Hit 15 times.
Respect for the Forex fam. Huge respects. Huge respects.
You're like a 1 hour seller play.
Yeah.
Just need a closure above that we're not getting.
What? Won't sell, sir. You're the daily.
Oh, you're on gold. I'm on GJ.
I was about to say, sir, what?
Sir, you're tweaking again, sir.
He tweaking.
You're tweaking, dog. Oh, we never broke the previous hour.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 5-minute close bullish here again.
Again.
Yo, you might get a nice 1 hour range candle here on gold. It's like they shift times and they shift sessions as well. NY became London, London became NY. Nice.
Asian still Asian, you slow bitch.
Yeah, man, I don't
Nobody
know.
wants your ass.
Make money. How much money did the Oscars make yesterday from this? Their ads, ad revenue on point.
Again, the next 24 hours, this meme's everywhere. Like, there's so many different memes going around this shit. There were memes within 10 minutes of it happening.
Yeah, but we were the second Forex meme, trading meme. I was watching, I'm like, how come no one has a meme yet? I'm like, I want to make one, and while I was making one, someone to post one.
Who trading memes?
Yeah, no, someone else, like some round page, like I think it was like, I knew it was gonna be a meme though. I mean, everyone knew it was gonna be a meme. It's gonna be a meme of the year probably now. It might be those memes that last a long time, no? Like those long-term memes.
It's the next big one after the Kanye with the sign. Those are the 2 big ones this year.
What sign?
What you mean what sign? The Kanye with the yellow paper?
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is the first one.
Kanye's probably jealous that he doesn't have all the spotlight right now, so he'll probably go do something crazy.
Yeah, Kanye's like, hold my beer. Hold my liquor.
Beer. You're gonna show up at Skeet's house.
He said in a song while he was Pete Davidson's ass. Where's my water at? Oh.
Anybody else look under their bed to make sure P. Davidson is not there when they leave their girl's house?
Oh, GJ 1 hour.
1 hour breaking the lows here. Yep.
Yeah.
You might just see it pop.
Boop.
Oh, time to delete the buy stops and just call it.
Boopity boopity.
Okay, well, range 2 breakouts, all right. Wait, we didn't break the 1 hour lows yet. Very close here, but man, it's because the forecast is still bullish. Can flip at any given point. It gets very tough here.
No, we did.
Oh yeah, now we did.
Yeah, the 4 hours still bullish as hell if it flips.
Yeah, it's very bullish though. I'll be very cautious on sells. I'll look for my buys above 163 chat. That's it. Those are my buys, all right? Or above 163 500. But anything below right now, I'm just gonna watch and just sit out, see what prices do. It should be a very calm session today. Like no one should be very like, no one should have an itch right now to trade. You know, this is no setups just yet, but they will come. Like with the volume today, you'll see plenty of setups today. So just chill, just chill.
Except for the guy that's in 114 pip drawdown.
On GJ.
He's like, fuck on, man. I tried to be here today. I learned my lesson. Did you really? Or you gonna learn?
That 1 hour flip on gold too. Flip bearish and then now back in the range.
I think people who go sell some top are fine.
That was decent.
Yeah,
it was just cowboy. It was just such a cowboy entry for me. Like I was looking at it, because look at that moment, look, the 1 hour was so bullish. It was such an anticipation trade. We're basically anticipating it to flip.
Because it didn't break the highs, right?
Yeah, ends over time as a point. Maybe get another coffee.
Coffee.
Wired.
Nigga, no coffee. Another coffee. Damn, that's two coffees in a session.
He's gonna sit down and see sound. Fucking sound waves floating by.
Man, doesn't water wake you up too, man? I don't get it.
Yeah, if you get it really cold and you splash it on yourself while you're sleeping.
Organic. Just hopped on, refresh your video. YouTube works, right? There's no way my YouTube doesn't work, right? No shot, right? No shot.
No shot. No shot.
The ratio is you have to have 2 coffees per trade taken per day. So that's the formula. Krabby Patty secret formula.
Crack helps too.
Yo, chat. Our logo. You guys want to see it?
You gonna show?
Or later? No, just a sneak peek. Just the D. Remember?
Just the D.
Show him the D. Show me yours. I'll show you mine.
Just the D. No, we'll show later.
No, you're teasing. You're teasing me.
You pull the Kanye.
All right, I tried.
1,000 viewers.
Do we have the pick of the tip of the D, right?
Yeah, we have a tip of the D. Yeah. Where's the pick of the D?
Oh, you have to scroll up, way up.
The pick of the D, right? Where is it?
It's way up.
I know. So the tip of the D, chat, you guys want to see it? Pretty nice one though. Pretty nice tip of the D. Woo! Ooh.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo, chat. Hey, chat. That's just the D and S, I guess, but. Ooh. The tip of the D. Yo, chat. These 3 colors, they're gonna change probably, but they represent.
Yo, chat was not expecting that. Yo.
W, right? W?
Yeah, it's a W.
Fire.
I feel like that's how we reacted too.
Yeah, I was like, yo, that's so
yo.
fire. Yo, shout out to T Biggs in the chat.
Can we get a Wigs in the chat?
Let's get a Wigs in the chat. T Wigs. We Wigs. Man. Chat, these 3 colors, they all represent something. Yeah, represent. I mean, it's not finished yet. This is nowhere near the finished logo, but like this is just a sneak peek of where the direction we're heading towards right now. In terms of DVS, but these colors represent something. The origin story of DVS, basically. Pretty cool. The streams, you know, the everything, like our community. Very dope.
You're gonna change the red to green? Is that what you're doing?
I don't know what colors we're gonna use that, but these are just default colors, I think, right?
Yeah, for now.
And chat.
We have other colors queued up.
All the DVS members will get something special. Everyone who has an IG DVS in their IG name will get something something special for you guys.
Cutoff date 3/31. I just made that up, but cutoff date 3/31.
In terms of what?
Changing their name.
Oh, changing their name.
332.
I think we have like 20. We got 20 right now, right? 20 DVS like IG accounts. Very cool.
We have 16. The OG 16 people.
That's so fire. Go my drop here, man. DJ my drop here. Wow.
15. I lied. 15.
15?
Yep.
We lost a couple?
No, it's always been 15.
Oh.
You gotta include us.
Yeah. DVS mod guy changed the logo already? What? Someone took that logo and made it their logo already. It's the tip. DVS mod guy. He just changed his logo.
Yeah, just the tip, bro.
Tip the tip. Nice.
Yo, in like 3 years, like the OG, everyone that's here is gonna be like an OG. Like, yo, you guys remember the just the tip OG logo for the OG?
Just the tip.
Just the reveal.
You man, our logo right now. What's our logo right now? You made it, right? And like, I mean, you just found it.
I made it in Canva.
Yeah, it's not even like it wasn't an official logo, just whatever for the time being.
Not bad for
Interim.
Canva, someone who's never made a
logo.
Don't cry.
But everyone has a DVS in their account will get their own shits. So we're working on a lot of shit for you guys.
Perhaps
for community.
Perhaps a giveaway for people that have the devious name. What? What? Make money.
Make a money. Ooh, gold fake looking nice here, man. Who's gonna jump in the buys here? Raise your hand up, chat, if you're jumping in the buys on gold. Let us know. NFT for DVS logo. You know, with Marcos in the building, of course, there's always been some NFT talks for sure, but there's nothing official yet.
Hey, shout out freesmoke.dvs. That's another one.
Not gonna lie, we're bought. I'm gonna buy. Alright. Whoever's buying gold, have fun with it, man. Just be careful of range 1 fake outs. Pretty fire. I can't wait to show the whole logo, man. The whole logo's fire, chat. The V is very nice. And I also liked how he made that so that like you had the D, the first letter, and then it overlaps each other. Like the V is next and the S is at the end. It's easy.
Crazy amount of detail.
Yeah, like it's not even done yet too. Like this wasn't even rendered fully, right? If I'm not wrong. Like look at everything about it. It's insane. Chat, I'll be looking for sells below here. But what's gonna happen here is, yeah, like you might just get this 4 count like closing bull probably. I don't know. We have an hour left. A lot can happen, but the buys were valid from here to here, I guess, top of the range, but it gets very tough here because you're kind of breaking out and it's a range 1 breakout. I'll just be a little cautious here, chat. But it's not the worst buys ever. Just selling. I'm looking for buys on GG. I'm not really looking for sells. I'll look for buys above 163053. Above there. DVS has some talented members. I know we have a talented community. Like every day I get like people messaging me like, "Yo, I can work on your logo. I can work on your thumbnail." Oh, we're gonna make everyone like involved in DVS long term, like people who were originally part of our community.
Put you all in an assembly line, yo. All you.
Yo, go to the
Factory, DVS.
go to the
factory.
cars channel.
Cars?
Yeah.
Cars?
Someone found a DVS license plate.
Oh yeah, someone sent that. Oh wait, what?
Cars?
A Tesla? Not gonna lie, chat.
What is that? Pennsylvania? Where's that?
And a
What state?
five.
Delaware?
That is Ontario. I'm kidding.
Black and gold. That's.
Is that brown? It's like brown. No, oh, black. No, it's black. Off of this picture,
Yeah.
where is it? There's a picture here, the back camera. Where's the show? We're investigating it now.
One Lambo.
Oh shit! That's a good eye.
Based on the trees, that is
I know
like
it's
a-
everything
No,
works.
no,
that's like Carolina.
no. Look at that's not Carolina. Look at that. You have a 2-hour parking limit.
That's Uncle Ted. Sounds like that's Uncle Ted.
That's got a Model S or bigger. That's a Model 3. That's a tiny one.
No, he got like 5 of them though. He got like so many.
That's Ted's nephew. Ted's nephew probably has that.
He got
Playing,
the.
what's that game? What's that game where you get
Oh,
like
you guessed the location?
yeah.
I'm terrible
Yo.
at that.
Me too.
We need to know the license plate. Once you know the license plate, you can start. zooming in.
California, Wix. California. Are you an American?
No way.
Are you American?
California is white and blue or white and red.
That's Ontario. Yo, go on
Like-
Google.
That's like, I don't know what the fuck that is.
Oh yeah, it is California.
Is it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that black and gold.
Okay, so now you can pretty much tell where that is.
Who has the nicest license plate? What city has the nicest license plate ever?
Not New York. I like Massachusetts.
How's that look?
Who has live free or die on their thing?
Probably Alabama.
Massachusetts kind of nice. I can see why you like it.
Yeah.
Looks a little like retro-ish. I don't know, kind of cool.
Mass is clean.
New York is ugly. We got some ugly plates. We had some ugly plates when I lived in.
Maryland is cool.
I don't know why I spelled Maryland like that. Maryland, yeah. It's
I don't know.
Texas?
Those Cali plates are ugly as shit. New York is white now. Yeah, it was yellow and white before that. It's crazy. Texas got dope ones. Look at that.
Who else is there? There's Ontario's. Ontario's kind of bland. Kind of trash. We got a new one. It's like bluish, but it's kind of hard to see.
Yeah, that's the one we get everywhere right here. This white and blue. That's the one all over.
What's New York's? It's like yellow and black, right?
Apparently they changed it to white, the new one.
This one?
I guess.
I like New York's. I should like New York's. Nice blue.
New York.
Ooh, gold pushing. All right, GJ is pushing down. All right, so let's see. 1 hour close bearish here. We can probably get a nice push towards like 162, 263. I think this is a range 2 breakout too. That top wick was created. Tap this resistance here. I believe once you break this low here, you should get a nice drive down. How big are stops? 24 pip stops for a TP of 27 here.
Close below that 15 support too.
Yep.
It's like a bear candle right there.
Yeah. And tap that wick perfectly.
Not bad.
My only issue is this the 1 hour top wick? Because we can come up to like 163 still, create a top wick. But I guess if it breaks this low, like you have a complete clean traffic here. Drive price down. I may consider having sell stops trash though. Sell stops on the break of this low right around here. One six 162.532 here. And stop loss the current kind of highs, right? All right, chat. So got in a position here. My stop loss got activated now, I believe, if I'm not wrong. Wait, not yet. Nope, not yet. My stop is at 162.514. Not yet. Very close, like a pip away, basically. 162.514. I'm about to be activated, I'm pretty sure. And spreads are tiny.
I'm activated.
Yeah, I'm in. Yeah, chat. So got in a sell here, chat. Sells got activated here. Stop loss is gonna be the current high of this 1 hour candle, and TP is gonna be roughly down here for like 57 pips. At around this mark is when I'm gonna close like 75% of my positions. At the 10 pip mark, I'm gonna close half my position and leave runners towards TPs. But overall, this is the position that we're in right now. This 15 should close, next 15 should ride down. Nine, 5, 6, stop loss. Nice. Yeah, 10 pip mark is when I'm going break even and closing half my positions. I think right now we're not even a pip.
8 pips.
Oh, nice. I had a later entry. I don't know my stop is there. My stop is at like 513. My entry is 513. Good. Should get around those levels. Like right now, like looking left, chat, you have all this clean traffic minimum towards like 162, 200 here. So it should fill that range in general. But I believe right now is when you should go break even here. So I'm going to move my stops to break even, making this a risk-free trade. And at 10 pips, which I'm about to get very soon, I'm going to close half. If you guys at 10 got 10, nice. I got a little later entry for some reason. I don't know why my sell stop was there.
Spreads are just smacking me around right now. I'm break even, but I didn't close any.
Yeah, spreads are like 0.5. Oh, there it is. Nice, chat. Going to close 50% of my positions right here and move my stop loss to break even. And let the rest run towards TP. All right, that was it.
I was like, I didn't even get 10, and then I looked down, I have 15. Ooh, runners.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Nice, chat. And their streak continued. Another W.
Little support right here.
Oh, gold. Holy smokes. Wow. Yeah, there's a minor support here, but overall, I think it should run.
Closed an extra 25 at 40 pips here.
I'm gonna close another 25%. Yeah. Nice, chat. Good stuff. Good stuff, chat.
Ooh, perfect closure. I was just the other thing I was thinking about is the 15 I was on the top, and then I was looking at that minor like little support to the left. So now it's just, what do you have TP? 161.900.
Yeah, 161. I don't have a TP on my screen. I gotta place a TP right here. 161.956.
Yeah, me too. I have 907.
Nice. Yeah, chat, close 95% here. Close 95% at like around like the 25 pip mark, basically, and now leaving the rest run towards TP. All right.
Good dubs. That was quick.
Yeah, like I wasn't comfortable taking gold because it was a range 1 breakout, but I was more comfortable taking GJ because he had a range 2 breakout already. So
it was like a clean range. As soon as I saw the 15 or to the left and realized we closed below and then made the top and flipped, I was like, ooh, very clean. I was a little nervous when we closed with almost no bottom wick and then made almost no top wick.
Oh yeah.
like, oh
Because we
boy.
answered it. We got activated at like 7:14.
Yeah, I was like, all right, I'm gonna be aggressive with the stops at least, and then not close any, and then we pushed. Ooh, I think we got a perfect 75% closure.
Yeah, off that Myers sport here. It should run overall, but in my chat, the day bias is bullish today technically, and you can still rip up at any given point. So don't be too aggressive in terms of leaving runners today, right? Just leave it towards the next Myers support minimum, and then let the rest close full. Nice, good shit. Yeah, but chat, good stuff, chat. No drawdown basically. Very good trade. I honestly didn't see it till like the last minute. Like I was looking at it overall, but I didn't see how we closed below here, and that closure below just kind of, that was it for me.
Where's Wickstein?
I don't know, where's Wickstein?
Not in the call.
I think something happened to his PC because his shit went mute or something midway.
Oh, he's pissed.
Yo, watch him come back and be like, yo, I didn't catch it.
Oh, we might have survived here.
We might have survived, yeah. 5 minutes is pushing.
This is volume, bro. Holy crap.
This is volume. Money.
There's no support. Like only even the 5 is like the most minor supports. Like there's nothing left. There's nowhere for this to go.
Yeah.
The fact that we can respect these 4-hour lows and tap target.
Wix9, you're muted, brother. Let me add to the trades taken.
This is some bullshit, dog.
What happened?
My whole neighborhood got knocked out of service.
So you got data?
I'm on my hotspot, dog.
Oh, so you caught it. You caught it.
I caught it off my phone.
He got that on cellular data, bro.
Nah, that's better though. That's better.
Hold on, you had the flip. What was your entry?
513.
Yeah.
513.
Oh, because it's a cell.
513. My entry was 501. All right, so it's not bad. Maybe a pip and a half late. Because by the time I came back, you're like, I think I'm gonna play cell stops here. I'm like, where? By the time I looked at the fucking chart.
Oh, TP! Did we get TP spec? If we close here, 40. Yeah, I'm gonna close here, chat. 40 pips there.
Yo.
Fucking close, bitch.
Nice.
Put the sound on, you lacquer.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Let's go.
You hear that shit? I got this shit running on my phone. You hear?
Good work.
It's crazy how it started moving and how we closed right when I fucking lost service. I'm like, holy shit.
Where did we close 75% at? 25, right?
75, we closed at 25.
And then 40 ended up being the last result, right?
Full at 40, 42, 42, 43.
I closed at 40, like 39, 40.
No, you didn't.
It was
43, push it.
Yeah, chat, I closed full there. Perfectly. We closed perfectly too. I think we just know, like, we all said at the same time, like, oh, you just closed full here, because like we had a feeling it was gonna reject there, because if it pushed, it would have pushed straight down towards DP, but it just rejected. It's like, okay, might pull back.
Not that we had a feeling. It's just
like you see, it's like the bigger the volume, the bigger the rejection, right? So like if you get a big, 50 pip push, like hard, quick, no rejection, you're gonna reject harder, like another.
And you could see how the rejection starts forming too. Like
exactly.
By ticks itself.
Exactly.
What am I gonna do here today? Oh yeah, record. What's the record, guys? 18 wins? 32 wins for the year. Okay, and for the month, 18 wins for the month. Oh my god!
I remember.
The devil tried to bring me down.
Beginning of March, we were like, "Damn, this ain't gonna be as good as February."
No, it was way better in February. Man, February was shit.
February was beast.
It was good. 148 pips. Yeah.
We were like, March is gonna slow down, and then the second half of March we just blitzed.
Not even the first day of March off the rip. Like off the rip, first week of March. Let's see. Like, what did we do?
Bro, there's 20 trading days in a month.
Undefeated. We went undefeated first 2.5 weeks.
We went undefeated for basically 17 days, like 19 days, like 17 straight trades, 19 straight trades. Sorry.
That's right.
Or no. 12. But still. Like first day of March, we caught 11 pips. Third day of March, we caught 10. Fourth, 10. 8, 15,
What's
8.
the,
Like, you know, holy shit.
what's the range 2 breakout command?
Fake out.
A lot of people are-
Yeah, have
Where's
a
that guy that was
have
114 pips in drawdown?
Someone was 104 from missing drawdown.
Somebody said they were entered the trade already. Please help.
Oh, it's ranges, not fake out. There you go.
Oh,
Oh, it's both. There's
both.
two
I have both. Yeah, I have both.
Because a lot of people, there's a lot of newer people that don't know the range 2 stuff.
The fake outs, range 1, range 2 is an IG video, and the fake out link is a YouTube video, and YouTube link is a lot better.
Yeah.
So that range 1, range 2, it's not gonna give you as much positions as it's gonna save you a lot of money.
Yeah.
You're gonna realize where you shouldn't be entering fake outs and when to step back, which is fucking. The concept is fucking amazing out of this world. Like we've killed it with it, and the wicks the other way, also fucking amazing concept when candles have no wicks.
Yeah, those two concepts have changed basically our whole perspective, like, on things. It increased our win rate, chat, by quite a bit.
They've increased our win rate by a lot.
Crazy.
Just following simple concepts.
That was a good, that was like a last minute decision trade too.
Yeah, I wasn't aware, like, looking at it at the time.
I knew it the whole time. I was just like, do I want to take a 15-minute range 2 breakout? But then when you think about the volume, it's like, it's hard to notice too.
For me, it was off of the 1 hour time frame, because I'm like, okay, well, if price curve resistance here, Chris support here, the support got respected. Okay, that's range 1. Range 2 is here. If it faked out, would have faked out by now, right? Would have faked out on that candle in this area already, and it didn't fake out. It closed below, created a top wick. I was worried about the top wick though. I was worried about that, like how big it was, but it tapped this level, I guess, and on a 30-minute time frame, the break of the lows was the entry, I guess. It looked very clean, and you had all this clean traffic as well looking left, like minimum towards here, and then overall TP towards here. It's a clean range.
90% for the month.
Are the fans on the GPU supposed to run all the time, or there's times when they stop?
They run all the time.
They run all the time, yeah.
The fans on my GPU stop.
Looks like you're not invest your profits into the GPU, man. Did they stop?
Literally.
Did they stop, or are you just like you can't see it move because it's moving too quick?
No, I'm looking at the things because I got my power was knocked out for like a few minutes, and then it came back on, but now they're not spinning.
I guess they turn off at certain temperatures though.
Because it's cool as shit in there. Can they turn off when it's cool? Does anyone?
No, chat. That's all you guys, man. That was all you. That was your trade, chat. That wasn't me.
If it's cool, cool. All right, because I thought mine should have spoken. I thought the surge just knocked him out, but I have it plugged into the surge protector.
Will we still be in? Yeah, it never came back up and made the topic.
Yeah, but like it looks like it's not a entry here, pretty sure.
yeah. No, we closed perfect. We're good at that. We're good at that. That's like our underrated attribute is closing like at the tips.
Yeah.
Sniper closures. That's the new thing.
Like a lot of traders, like a lot of new traders, will just let it run and be like, I gotta hit TP, right?
Missed my TP by 1 pip.
Yeah, like why? Like how stupid can you be to be in profit for 300 pips? Misses your TP by 1 pip. Next thing you know, you lose the whole trade and stop loss. Like that happened to me before. Yeah. Like when I first started trading, I don't know how that's possible. Like how greedy are you for 1 pip and you're 300% profit?
Yeah, because a lot of them, the newer people too, they don't realize like the market, like you could see what it's doing, like live, like you could stare at it.
Yeah.
It's not like you have your eyes closed, like you could see how it's reacting. You know what I mean?
Like if you're sleeping, like okay, whatever, right?
Yeah.
But even if you're sleeping, man, you're risk free. Like I don't know how it's even possible. 3rd-man wick though, potentially.
What?
Potentially.
This 4. Now we wait for the 4 hours to close on both pairs to do anything.
What is this green thing on your chart?
Oh, look at the gold. Look at the 4 hour. Made the top wick.
Oh wow. Yeah,
that.
it might retrace all the way up to 5.7 even. Who knows? Yeah, Chad. There's no bias for me on gold just yet. I would say bias for me would be above here. If we can break above 1948, I'll take my bias going up.
I want fake out sells.
Bias going up towards like 1958 probably. Fake out sells?
Fake out sells below like 1938. Get
Yeah.
like a bear at 9 o'clock. 4-hour close weak bullish. Made that top wick. We don't have to worry about that either.
We closing this range here. Yeah, it's looking good on gold.
Exactly. That's what I would want.
30-minute bottom wick. Pop. Yeah. I'm pretty sure, chat, we're gonna fill like 1948 here. Look left every time we came back into the range here, we filled it, right? Filled. So same thing can happen here. You have a resistance here. If you get closure above, this next candle should pop up and fill the range at 1948.420 here. So let's see what it do. Looking good though. And GG might get a wick fill here as well in about 24 seconds or 40 seconds.
Oh, good. Another good trade.
You listen to me.
Yeah, it's a range 2 breakout. I don't know. To go for me wasn't that clear. Like, you couldn't expect it to drive up as it broke the highs, but it wasn't a high probability trade for me. Was there news that dropped? Because things just hit hard.
Yeah, what a coincidence. News dropped.
No, but like last night, like 3 hours, like during London or Asian news dropped. Like, what a coincidence! Right when Asian opening, with our daily analysis already.
Hey yo, shout out Zoro.devious and Limit Devious.
Oh, they made new accounts.
Yeah, we're at 20 following.
Ooh, nice.
Going up from here.
Be going up from here. I think everyone likes the .dvs better. Everyone's putting .dvs. People even put it's their name, for example, Jeff. It's Jeff. It's Marcos. Like everyone's putting it's now. Creating a whole vibe. No, this is boring music.
You want to explain Blip's question, Don?
What's his question?
He said the 4-hour was bullish. The 4-hour bullish on gold made a top wick above the previous bearish 4-hour, which had no top wick. What is the significance?
Oh, yeah, I guess you could say like the 4-hour kind of had no bottom wick, right? Meaning that there's a lower probability of price to drive down that situation. And I mean, if you took advantage of that, I guess, by using the small time for confirmations, like waiting for the 15 close, 30 close to support, or else to break out a range, would have been fine, I guess, if you use that to your advantage there.
Top wick.
I mean, that's top wick. Oh, okay. Well, 85% of candles have top wicks and bottom wicks, right? And over the years, like what we've noticed through sample sizing on stream was that there will be a 65-75% chance that every time you get a candle with no top wick, for example, a bearish candle no top wick or a bullish candle no bottom wick, very high probability that the next candle comes out to create that top wick before it dips down again, because it's creating that wick for that candle. Again, we're still testing this theory, but so far it's been over a year into testing, and like for the most part, it's been very useful. It tends to happen quite often, so we've seen a lot. Yeah,
it's useful in planning out the trade, because when you see it happen and you kind of plan out your next moves, or if you don't see it happening, but you see the candle that formed with that no wick, you have to kind of expect a wick to come up and be made at that level. So we know not to look for positions one way or the other way when we're expecting that wick to come up and be made.
Damn. 500 pips for the month. 580. Smacking it. Morning, guys. What did I miss? No, nothing much. Nothing much. Honestly, if you woke up from like, if this is your first time hopping on the charts since like Asian, You'd be surprised at what happened last night. Like, wow, we moved a lot. Yeah, I might get a 30-minute wick for here. That was a bottom wick being created, I guess. I'm gonna wait for 9 a.m. here, chat. 9 a.m. here. I want to see this forward candle close, and then I want to see obviously the NYSE open and get some more positions.
Do here.
Yeah, you have a lot of opportunities here.
Okay. BRB. LOL.
You're a gangster, bro. Made 130 in 2 minutes. Nah, man, that's all you. I was just here doing my thing. I'm taking my trades, right? I'm just taking my trades. You guys could follow along whatever you want to do, but as long as at the end of the day you learn something. But I'm here to trade for myself on a live stream. That's it. That's all I do. So give credit to yourself for showing up, right? For showing up to your session. You trade London and NY, Don? Sometimes I'm up for London for like an hour or so. Sometimes I'm not. For the most part, I'm not. But then I would trade Asian, New York. Yeah, those are my sessions. Someone's like, where can I check your previous results? I post usually my data results on IG stories, but if you want to check my 1 year results, basically I post results from October 2020 until August 2021 in this folder thing here. So check it out. My wife loves you, Don, as I have money for her hair every month. Nice. Nice. Good work, man. Keep catching those pips. Yeah, Baron, you're an OG. You've been here for quite some time.
And look at the weekly on gold.
Mm-hmm.
It could easily just be the bottom like for a weekly onion play.
Weekly for gold.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah, because weekly's still bullish, right, chat? Like we discussed it this morning too. Yeah, you're right. I forgot about that. Weekly tap into his ranges here, create a bottom wick, and it could flip here for the week to drive up towards 1990. That was the original bias for the week, and that's still my bias. I'm still bullish for the week, bearish for the daily. But yeah, it looks like price may continue to push up throughout the rest of the week now. So it's gonna be quite a volatile week, chat. I know the whole chat's in position right now. These buys on gold. I know Marco is in sometimes too. I don't know. There's no positions for me right now, chat. I'm just waiting for the 4-hour candle close here. Oh, GG would tap target, right? Would we have survived? Our entry was right here, right? On our break these lows there. Would we have survived? Oh yeah, we would have survived. You would have survived, but you would have pulled back like 21 pips. And for 10 pips, and it's close fall, man. Yeah, 1 hour tap that support, starting to reject there. Pretty lovely, pretty nice. Pushing. And gold should tap like 45, 44 here on this 15 candle. Looking left, it should fill his wick and tap around these levels here. Very nicely. Why does journal doc not show actual trades taken? It's just an empty template. If you do exclamation point journals, you get a link for the journal, the free template. And if you do exclamation point trades, you get the template for the my trades on stream taken. These are just trades on stream taken. These aren't all my trades. I take a lot more trades than this, but it's basically just during an NY stream. I mean, last year trade with throughout this year, last year, this year so far, gold's been 5 lot and GG's been 10 lot. But by the end of the year, I should be at around like 10 on gold and 20 on GJ. Every year I stick to 1 lot size for the whole entire year, and I increase it by double every year. I work my way towards that every year. So all of last year, my max was I set a limit to 5 on gold and 10 on GJ. This year my limit is going to be 20 on GJ and 5 and 10 on gold. So slowly make my way up. Like for the most part though, I'm using 5s on gold for the most part on every trade this year. Still empty, just template, could be just my end. Do you clicked the wrong link. Do exclamation point trades. Do trades, because everyone right there just did journals. If you do trades, it should link pop up. Yes, when I was on pull back here, man. Pull back hard. That fits me. It didn't break the highs. I tapped that resistance. I'm pretty sure if Froze got in, would have been risk free anyways. We got 18 pips there, and then now it's just wait for this 1 hour closure. This is good though. This is very good. We might have some positions at 9 AM here, 9:30. Funded? No, not funded. Never was and never will be funded. Nothing against funded accounts, just prefer to trade own capital because you are at a better advantage, right? Because when you trade funded, you gotta stick to a set of rules that kind of put you in a tough area, tough situation, because you gotta stick to those rules when your plan is this. Down trading the past month has been pretty simple. I think it's only if you really like. There's no reason for anyone to be down this month. Only if you were very like over trading or leveraging probably is the only reason you would be down right now. But if you stuck to a session, NY, London, or Asian, whatever session it was, and took 1-2 trades a day, you would be completely fine right now. You basically trade with already funded rules? No. Because funded rules are like, oh, you can't go over this amount of drawdown, you can't take this amount of trades per day, you can't go over this amount set of risk, right? Because they're in play for you to lose, no? Those funded accounts, they gotta make money somehow, right? They don't want you to win, they want you to lose funded accounts. So they can make money off of you. A delicate situation. Yeah. Ooh, 15 popping back up. Would you recommend MT4 and MT5? MT5 over MT4. Is 10 pips a day enough to grow a tiny account? Man, I get this question every fucking day. It's like there's no difference from me catching 10 pips to you catching 10 pips at all, right? If I make 1%, you're making 1%. It's the same percentage. But what will change though is your relationship to money, your balance. That will obviously have to be different because everyone lives a different life. But at the end of the day, we're all making the same percentage. 1% is 1%, 2% is 2%, 3% is 3%, right? No, yeah, Keelan, I have nothing against funny accounts. I was speaking off of my own experience, but like for sure, like I'm pretty sure there's funny accounts that I have that are better than others. But that's why we have a funny channel on Discord. You can just check that out. But yes, catching 10 pips a day is enough because over time, as your account grows, as you compound your account, your lot size will get bigger, your profits will get bigger, and your equity balance will get a lot bigger. So yes. Monday questions? I know. No, yeah, it's our personal preference. Like if you trade funny account, I have nothing against that. Just be free, trade your funny accounts, you know. I just don't have any funny accounts. That's nothing wrong with that. We're all winners at the end of the day, right? Oh, last 15 of the 4 hour account here. Nice. Yeah, chat. I made a post the other day and it said how many viewers do you have right now? I think it says I have 600 viewers.
See 1.1.
Oh shit though. Chat, I made the post the other day and basically it showed these three rules that I stick to, or these 3 tips that I give you guys. It was in my archives. I'm just gonna post it later on my main page, but it said one thing a lot of traders must understand, especially new ones, are there's no best strategy. Stop trying to find the holy grail. Just do what works for you. That's number 1, okay? Number 2 is stop comparing your results to others. Everyone's relationship to money is different. So everyone has a different relationship to money. And 3, you're always a student to the game, and you're always gonna be finding new ways to get better every day. That's all you need to know as a new trader. Going back to number 3, like the reason why I said that is because a lot of people, like once they get to a point where they start getting some type of consistency, they start to just feel overconfident, and then they call themselves the GOAT. The moment you call yourself the GOAT, you fucked up. Because now you have nowhere else to grow. You're always gonna be in a bubble, in a box. And yes, there's no best strategies. Like, stop trying to find a holy grail. There's no like the best strategy. There's no such thing as the best strategy in FX because everyone trades differently, and it comes down to what works best for you and your psychology. Don't compare someone's chapter 20 to your chapter 1. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. GJ is fallen. And it can't get up. Wow. But we can break the 4 lows, man. Oh, brother.
I know.
This is good though, because if let's say like in the future you set the range, come down, man, you have a lot of clean traffic. GG's gonna be volatile chat for quite some time. for a couple months at least. And for the whole quarter two, I'm pretty sure. It's not gonna be dead for a while. Change the damn song. My bad, man. You know, I'll just play a new playlist. Sorry, man. I'm sorry I failed you. Better? Hello, Mr. Lendy? Who is Mr. Lendy? I'm not Mr. Lendy. Yo, when's part 2 podcast, Marcos?
I had COVID last week.
Are you good now?
Yeah, I'm better. Just had throat pain all week.
At least you don't have a strep throat.
I know that sucked.
Strep throat is the worst thing that's ever happened to me in my life. In my life. I swear, I never got injured. I never got like a bad injury. Never tore anything. Strep throat was the worst thing because I couldn't swallow. I couldn't swallow my saliva, and I'll be struggling. Like in my face would be like it'll move while I'm trying to swallow. Like it was terrible. I couldn't eat. It was fucked. Throat goats? Pause. Yeah, strep throat is so fucked up, man. It's actually crazy. Bronchitis? No, I never had that. It's terrible, man. It's like worse. It's terrible. Cause what's the most common thing you do? You swallow saliva, right? Or you blink. You use your mouth to eat. I couldn't eat, man. I couldn't eat congee. Like congee I was struggling to eat congee. Watch kidney stones. Hey, man, I said the worst thing yet to happen to me. I'm sure there's a lot more to come in my later years in life, but fuck. Chat, I'm only 21, man. I want to live through so much already, man. You know, I'm gonna live through a lot more, but fuck, my birthday's in 10 days, guys. What's the word on stream? Marco's surprise Toronto trip.
What day is it?
April 10th.
April 10th. I could arrange.
Could arrange.
Raptors.
Oh yeah, there's a nice Leafs game. I didn't go with my girl though.
Raptors Celtics is today. Rip.
Yeah, Raptors actually pretty good this year, yo. I did not expect them.
Celtics #1 seed, baby.
Holy shit, for real.
Remember on stream around Christmas, we were like,
oh, they're ass. Yeah.
We're nasty now.
Bro, we're only 4 games apart. That's actually insane. The Bulls were once first.
We were 23 and 24, and now we're 47 and 28. Crazy.
And the season flew by quick, no? It's already like 80 games in.
Playoffs are gonna be fire.
70. The Suns are first. Holy shit. Their record is nice. Suns are so good during the regular season. Bro, I want to see who the Warriors gonna play first round. Nuggets? Oh, that's gonna be nice. Jamal Murray? Is he out?
Hey.
Jamal Murray and Steph Curry. Oh my god, Anthony Edwards in the playoffs for the first time. Free up the Raptors though. I mean the Lakers. Jeez. Yeah, there's no way the Lakers are picking playoffs, right? There's no way. They're 5 games back, 4 games back. 5 games. Insane. He comes back this week? Oh shit. Yo, Marcos Raptors. My birthday Raptors and Knicks. Your city versus my city.
I know.
Oh, it got postponed. What happened? Damn. So much love, of course. DeMar. Yo, who's winning MVP this year?
It's close.
Joel, no?
Could be Jokic again. Could be Devin Booker.
Joel.
I think Devin Booker should probably get it.
Yo, if Lakers make playoffs, it's gonna be LeBron James.
Yeah, right. I don't even think they're gonna make the playoffs. I'd give it to Booker.
Devin, your twin. Really? Devin?
If people look at stats too much, they're looking at like these triple double guys, but look at the Suns. Like
How about Jason Tatum?
the last 8 times Jason Tatum's making a late run, but it's too late, I think. The last 8 times that a team won, I think it was a team that won 65 games and their best player was like 25, 5 and 5. They won every single year or something like that. Nah, Ja's not gonna win it. The favorites are Jokic and Embiid. I think Booker should get it, but it'll probably be like Jokic again or Embiid. But Booker, in my opinion.
Well, Chris is a second. Holy shit.
Jason Tatum, in my opinion. Nah, John Morant's behind Booker. If you're gonna give us a Ja, you have to give it to Booker.
Jay Morant. I'm giving the golden GJ, man. Yeah, I know. There were 23 and 24. Wow. They turn things around. Hey Don, how do you change your bias? I used to change it based off of only daily breaker higher lows on a forward structure of I don't change my bias completely, but I take trades going against the bias when you have a range 2 breakout. So, because the probability shows that when you get a range 2 breakout, you're in a higher much position to, make it work in your favor. You're in a much better, higher probable position. Capiche? Capiche? What up, Wix?
Tap target, dog.
Yeah. You have a video on range 2 breakouts? Yes. Do exclamation point fake out in chat. This video should pop up right here. This is my #1 favorite. This is my favorite video I ever made. This video and the playbook video.
It's been a good week, right?
Yeah. I forgot what happened this week. What happened this week? How many trades did we take this week on? Yeah. Yeah, this podcast is fire.
What are we at? 760?
TikTok is toxic. It's like
100 likes soon?
760, yeah.
Hours in one market. I want to give.
Well, I lost my water
people a
bottle.
platform to tell their story, but I also want to bring in Web3 and people that are building out Web3.
Chat head says AirPod Max, by the way. Yo, people see me in streets like, yo, Don, what are you wearing? Like, what are those? Like, what is that? I'm like, it's Apple. It's Apple.
T-Biggs has his too. Has AirPod Max.
Oh, T-Biggs, you got AirPod Max? How you know?
He sent me a picture.
Oh shit.
In space gray though.
Yo, new podcast member?
Oh, gray.
Upcoming.
Space gray.
That's fire. What am I doing here?
At Marcos is gonna make a second appearance. What? We gotta get the mics that go in your shirts for the in-person ones.
Oh yeah.
You better get an
No.
assistant that
Get
does
these
that for
ones,
you.
bro. Get these to stand on the desk. I like it like that.
How are we gonna do that in person?
Well, the
Bring it with you.
no, like you buy them. You buy them, no? Like Thing has
Well,
them.
if you have a studio, yeah, but I mean, like for a mobile pod, you gotta bring the.
Oh.
This dude wants me to carry the big ass.
No,
Yeah, the train
we're gonna
and
have
shit.
a studio for sure.
Yeah, I know, but we're talking about this summer.
We're gonna have a studio this summer.
Oh shit.
Yeah, what's this drink they got? Happy Deal.
That's Colby Covington. That's Happy Dad. That's their brand.
Oh yeah,
Can't post and miss that shit.
Were you ever afraid of that happening?
it's cool. They blew up.
Ooh,
Yeah.
might get that 30 closure. 1 minute.
Where? What time frame? Did you
Gold 30.
gold 30? Closing bearish? Oh,
Thank God.
well,
Yeah.
1 hour will be closing. Oh, let's see. 40 seconds here. Very key closure here. Let's see.
4 hour would be closing weak bullish below resistance.
Metallic created. Interesting.
Oh, come on. Make a bottom wick though. There you go. Right there. Ah.
I think it's gonna hold. I think we're
think
gonna
it's gonna hold?
we're gonna close above her. It's the 4 hour still bullish. Billy's bias is
20
bullish. I
No,
mean,
dude,
I wouldn't take sells here though. I'll take sells below like 32 probably.
your daily bias is bullish.
No, my weekly. Sorry, daily is bearish. Daily is bearish. Yeah.
Really bearish, but yeah, if it could be the weekly, it could be the weekly flip. Still.
Yeah. We're closing above. Yeah. So, chat. I
Look how we
wouldn't.
open.
Oh shit.
Ooh.
Oh shit.
We found
1 hour buy.
Yeah, you can probably kind of flip up and continue up towards next resistance there.
Quick fill. That's a big one.
Hurry up and buy.
And look where
Hurry
it's
up
tapped
and
too.
buy.
4 hour support. You know.
That is white. One big wick fill.
Yeah, I know. Absolute
Yeah,
absurd.
You can get like a 30 bullish closure here. 9:30 buys. Even 15. No.
Yeah.
I think you need another candle.
I
Give me
think
another one.
it's just gonna rock.
Give me another one. Don't fumble in, Chad, if it's not your position. Yeah. Do
Yeah.
you think it's gonna rock?
Gotta rock in row 1944.
Oh, I had some.
I believe that's the bottom wick though, because like look where you tapped, right? You closed like right above resistance on a 1 hour, and the bottom wick was right here off the support, and I guess that was your push. I mean, I'm gonna wait for the 15 to close, chat, but overall like this candle should make its way up towards like 1944 to fill that wick and continue to drive up towards like 1948 for the rest of the day. So you have a lot of volume here. Just be patient here though. All right. In worst case, you miss on this range, you catch the range above. It's okay. You have 4 pips above that range. You don't gotta catch the all-time bottom to all-time high.
That flip was already 15 pips. This is.
No, that was like 20, I think. Oh, 15, 16, yeah. Absolute absurd, mate.
Absurd. Absurd.
Exquisite. Exquisite. Why be better? Facts. Chat, how are we doing today though? How many positions you guys got? Sells, buys, gold, GJ, like Will Smith Day. What do you guys got? We're calling today National Will Smith Day. today we Will Smith the markets today.
Word, we made the markets our Chris Rock.
Yo, you think Chris Rock's ever gonna host a show ever again?
He's never gonna host it?
You think so?
Of course he is.
Chris Rock is mad funny though.
We'll probably joke about it.
Yeah, he'll definitely have a joke about this shit.
You think Will Smith and Chris Rock will ever like be chill though?
Maybe.
I don't care.
Yeah, but
I mean, of course, you don't care, Wix. All you care about is
pips.
these pips.
Well, I care about this chat. I care about everyone here.
I was playing.
I hope all of you win. I mean, but if you don't, I don't care.
All Wixon cares about is whatever he's holding in his right hand right now. That's all he cares about.
If you don't,
What's in
you're
your
a
right hand right now?
A fucking remainder of a joint. I don't know. Make money. I
Make
got Chris Rock in
money.
London. That's no good. Why'd you get Chris Rock? Stop talking about people's wives and shit.
Bruh. Naughty. 5 positions day ready? Nice. Yeah, it makes sense. An AGGRO day. I get that. I can get that. It's okay. Some days I have 1 position, some days I have 10 positions. Comes down to a day. Today is fine. Like you could do 20 today. Whatever you prefer, right? But just know, you gotta know when to stop though. But make sure you don't lose your profits. That's all you gotta do. Like we took a trade, so we took a win. There's no reason for us to lose our profits today.
Word, he should have slapped Jada's hairdresser instead.
What does AGGRO day mean? Exclamation point AGGRO in chat. It should pop up. Wow, the 4 count closed bullish, the 1 hour count closed bullish, the 30 closed bearish. Did 30 create support? Yeah, it did. A 15 closure would be lovely here, chat. A 15 closure or a 30-minute count closure. NYSE should push it.
Bullish, like strong bullish.
Yeah, strong bullish. Strong bullish.
She. Come on, man. She.
Song hits different, chat. It's an end credit for the movies.
GJ never broke those lows, huh?
GJ? No, never. I think it's a career super wicker, no? Oh no, 4-hour lows. I see what you mean.
4 hour didn't break the lows, 15 closed bullish. The 15-minute could easily just break the highs and now retrace the whole move.
We got a new blueberry. Honestly, bro, I should change up the celery to a blueberry. Yo, Biggs, what's the word? Yeah.
Can't take away the celery.
I'm playing. This thing hits different. GJ close at support here, bullish. Things get interesting here because the daily's still bullish on gold, GJ and bearish on gold. It gets interesting here, but the better buys would probably be above these levels up here, like 163. Because like right now, what's happening here is you have support here, right? You don't know what's gonna happen here. It's an indecision level. It's like we can reject it, we can drive up, but you know that okay, well this is your resistance, and you start to drive up, and you're willing to miss this range while waiting for a higher probability range. Once you have direction, and take your buys above here, going up. You catch this range and you catch this range, but there's no reason to jump the gun right now. No reason at all, unless you're trying to get some McLaren entries in, right?
Room, bitches. Yo, has the snow melted where you're at?
Yeah, but it snowed yesterday. But then it melted the same day. Why are you laughing? It's not funny. Panda is crazy.
Canada is crazy.
Man, it was -6 degrees yesterday, -10 today, and on Thursday it's gonna be 16 degrees.
Fucking
Positive.
sick. That's how you get sick.
It's high. Yeah, it's literally how you get the flu. How you get the colds.
Yeah, when you get like changes in temperature like that. When they're drastic, it's not bad. Like if it's like really drastic, it's too much of a shock for your body. But when it's like that, that's how you get. When it's drastic, it's actually good for you. It's like doing the sauna thing and then jumping into like snow. Like you actually improve your health from that. Build up your immunity.
Yeah, I don't get sick often. The last time I got sick was like, I don't know. Like, I don't know. I don't know if getting sick nowadays is COVID or what.
Stupid COVID.
Entries and candle flip for gold. Anyone got opinion on that? Wait for the 30-minute candle close. You want this 30-minute candle close bullish in about 20 minutes here? Or 15 close bullish? And then take your buys afterwards, right? Just stay calm, chat. Stay composed. That's how you win in trading, though. If you're out here just taking impulsive round positions, like, it's not going to be a good look, man. It's like, why would you want to sell down for a lower probability position? There's no reason at all. Like, you can take 10 attempts here, get stopped out when you just take one attempt and have a nice W. Nice clean attempt, and that's it. You don't gotta be a cowboy. If it's the 5-minute close just support, you would got stopped out. Alright, that's one loss. And now you're looking for a fake go back into the range? Okay, well, wait for that. Take that. Second loss. You know, just wait for a 30-15. Ideally, though, this 15 closure back into this 5-minute closure back into the range will be a 15-minute bullish support. I think that 30 here is what you want. 30-minute closure.
Yeah, you really want like to stack the odds in your favor, right? You slowly want to stack the odds in your favor on every setup, on every trade, and then just smack the market. We'll smith it unexpectedly. Just stack the odds in your favor, and then unexpectedly, like, right? You three things you never want to be behind in your odds, right? Your trading, your health, and family. You never want to be behind anywhere on those odds. You never want to be behind on money, like, odds wise. Like, why risk it, right? It's like it's hard to earn. What makes the world go around, and that's what you're gonna risk your odds on. Stack the odds in your favor.
You put the wrong date for the last GJ trade? Which one? So I'll look at it. This one, today, right? The 28th, no? And then, oh, 3/28. Thank you. Thank you. All right, chat. Tell me, who's in the sell right now? Who got in the sell here? Who gonna sell? Oh, now it's pulling back. You guys aren't gonna say it, aren't you? But once it drives down, I'm gonna see all the yo. I'm not gonna lie, Don. I got to sell.
Just caught 10.
Just caught 10 pips.
I ain't gonna lie.
Watch. Right now, they're in drawdown. They're gonna be shh, quiet. Watch. But the moment they get, it's crazy.
Stops to break even.
WWW.
I'm in.
I'm in both for a buy and sell. Nice. You can't lose.
You're a winner.
Yo, you can stay undefeated by doing that.
Make money.
Well,
Undefeated.
if you're in
never
sells,
lost.
this 1 minute should push down here. Nice push on a 1 minute. Bro, I woke up this morning. 3 5-minute candles were 100 pips on gold. On GJ, sorry. 150 pips within 15 minutes.
You were like, nah, I'm dreaming, going back to sleep.
No, I woke up and I saw it. But absolutely absurd. Absurd.
But like we spoke about this, right? Like the market cycles, right? And this happens. You have any pair can hit a range and start ranging, and that's why you have backup pairs, and you have pairs that drive hard. And then there's market cycles where the volume in the pairs change up. And if, like I said, you live through a few years of this, you'll realize and watch it happen, and your comfort level in trades when they increase or decrease in value will just stay the same. You know, you're going to be more expectant of change, more adaptive.
Look.
Dropped.
It dropped. It dropped. And
coming.
Look. Chat.
Someone goes plus 25 pips.
Plus
I closed
25
30
pips.
pips.
Not gonna lie.
Oh man, we know chat so well, man. We know obvious so fucking well, man.
Not gonna lie.
Look.
25 pips, got it.
Oh, someone said G just sells.
I love chat, man. I love you guys.
Feels good to be 25 and
Not gonna lie, but I got some sells earlier and I'm in profit. Come on, I know when you guys are getting positions. Like I just know. Like I know you guys so well. Like I knew 30-minute broke the lows. I knew you guys said, "Well, fuck the bias, man. I'm taking sells here." They kind of go flip bearish here. Selling and breaking out lows, current count high stops, TP 10 pips, close half, runners towards support. Like I see you guys doing this. I see you guys.
Ooh, 15,
you know why?
GJ.
Because we lived through this, chat. We've been through this. We have been you.
Yeah, that's why. That's exactly why.
We've been through this.
Someone's probably like, "Yo, I don't get it though. I made money." It's good. It's good. Keep it that way. Just keep it that way. Keep that mindset.
NGL.
Fuck the bias. I'm taking this volume from NYC Open here.
You like this GJ 15? It's kind of clean.
Fuck, man. I don't know. Like, I mean, what? For sells or buys? What are you looking for?
Look at buys.
I don't know, man. That 4-hour close is bearish. I need a 30-minute closure here, I think.
Respected the lows on that 4-hour. Daily's bullish.
I think I need like buys above like, I don't know, 160. I need a range. I need a range to form here first, I think. I don't feel too comfortable taking buys here. The 4 count is still bearish, right?
You do need that 30. We probably need a 30 closure.
930, 10 probably here, right?
Because this 30 could easily close bearish.
All right, chat. Here we go again. Who's about to get in positions for this flip here? Man, I'm looking for buys above here, chat. If I don't get the buys, then no buys. But just keep in mind this will be a bottom wick for the 4-hour candle, right? So if you do pop back into the range, we may get some buys going up as the 4 candle will flip bullish, and it'll be a 30-minute fake out, 50-minute fake out. It'll be lovely if that were to happen. Yeah, they're comfortable, man. I wouldn't wear them all day if they weren't comfortable. Like I literally wear them everywhere I go. They're the best sets I've had in my life. Amazing. What broker do you guys use? I use Blueberry Markets right now. They have no spreads or no commissions and small spreads on gold right now. GJ spreads or commodities are $7 per lot. You also have Traders Domain if you can't use those brokers. Traders Domain is a pretty dope broker as well. I'll always support them. Pretty dope broker. I've used them before. I just found broken better spreads and no commissions on gold, so why not, right?
Pretty and dope.
Yeah.
It's like chicken pot pie, my 3 favorite things.
You like chicken pot pie?
No, those are my 3 favorite things.
Ah. This 15 should tap the support here. But for the most part, chat, if you guys are on sells or buy sells, sorry, you should be like taking profit around these areas here. Like take partials here, close half, and let the rest run. Like I don't know, it's very tough because the 4 count could just be creating a bottom wick, right? So just be aware of that. Yeah, buys are gonna be nice here, man. Yeah, I'm gonna get some water, chat. BRB. Give me 2 seconds, alright? 2 seconds. Careful.
It's 50, still holding.
$15 sell around GJ about to happen. Not too bad.
Not top. Bad.
Not too bad.
Gonna get something. Gold's going back in range. So, gonna get something.
I like GJ today. The ranges are so big.
Not there yet.
The ranges on GJ are so big, so clean. GJ is like gold right now, like the old gold.
Well, the way I look at gold, we had a pretty strong weekly bullish close, right, on gold. And we'd expect this week to flip at some point. And or two. Look, so I don't know. My gold hourly previous hourly closed above range, and I know it's a bearish day. But if we go back up above there, it's gonna be a range 2 breakout.
Yeah, it's not bad.
And it would,
later,
I would rather see a weekly flip than the daily buys here. And like, just for the sake of this session. Oh jeez. This is a massive rejection on the 4-hour actually on Trader's Domain. That's what it looks like. But for the sake of this session, I think if we go bullish, that's gonna those moves are.
All right, if you took that 15 sell around GJ, you close half. Stops to break even.
Or to come sooner. The thing is, when we closed bear on the previous candle, on the previous 30, and the previous Well, no, this 15, yeah, you could have traded it down, but the previous 30. I just think the volume and the catalyst for the move isn't here yet. Like, you know, 920, not yet. I think 945. You know, we'll let the NYSE open. And
I think we're retracing this entire move back up. The
Go
4
up,
hour,
right?
4 hour
Go
didn't
up.
break the previous lows. The current 4 hour didn't break the
exactly.
lows.
That's exactly what I'm thinking. I'd rather take the buys here because just the previous hourly closed above, and this looks like a pullback. The 845 or the 9 to like 930 pullback before NYSE for the volume to drive us up. It's it would line up, I think, a little more since the 8 a.m. candle gave us direction, volume, and it closed above a resistance. Because I have a resistance marked up at 1937.9. And
We're talking about gold.
yeah.
I'm looking at GJ.
Oh, no, I'm talking about gold for the weekly.
Yes. Clean. 5 minutes.
No, I'm talking about just in general NYSE open.
Marcos, you think your GG went up? Nice.
Yeah, 15 celery.
Yep, you got in?
No, I didn't get it. I'm waiting for this 30's closing in 5 minutes here.
Yeah, he was talking about it, but the 930s.
Some people in chat
close.
caught it. Yeah, 2 people in chat got it.
Good work, chat. Good work.
Are you on? No, you're not on mute. I can hear him.
They're trolling.
Unless you new to the stream.
They're trolling. They always troll.
This is a nice 30 closure.
Yeah, a little retracement here. I mean, it'll be a 15 too, closing out of that mini range. First bullish close around the 30 since London.
What's the 4 hour look like on Orlando on gold?
Amazing. Oh wait, gold. It closed above. It's bullish, closed above some resistance. Hit a top wick for the previous.
I say once you break 162, 173, it should be clean towards like 162, 385. Above these 5-minute counts here. Yeah, 3-minute count. I don't know. I think I'm gonna stay out with GJ. I know like the day bias is bullish and FOREX respects the support, but I need a better range than this, I believe. I want like a maybe above 162, 362. I don't know. It doesn't. I think this is more of a cowboy, and then the more conservative would be above 362. I don't know. I think I'll shit my pants if it buys right here though.
Would you really? On this 30?
I don't know. It's just like for me, like I need like a range and then break. You know what I mean? Like a range and a breakout. I don't know. It's just like, it feels like we're so heavily like we're bullish, obviously.
This one candle won't determine the change of bias because the last 4 hour, and look how bearish we were. Like one small candle won't change it.
Okay,
if we're pushing up and then retrace, boom, cool. But
I think it's just I don't know. It feels like it's New York, NYSE getting their better. They're getting their better buy because they missed the move during London.
It's not a bad position. It's just I don't know if it's maybe my position though. It's not the bad position though. If it drives, it drives for me.
And if it drives, it drives. CRE test and no top hook on 4. Oh, I agree with you, Rosa, but it's just the chances of that. Like, why would you want to come in first here? Come in second. Wait for it to really tell you.
Get the new one in chat. Someone new came into the stream 10 minutes ago. Hello, guys. Why do you trade no future? That's the first question they ask us. You've been here for 2 minutes, my friend, talking about why don't you trade no future? I don't trade futures. Doji is here. Engulfing building, engulfing candle right there. Yes, I know what those things are. Trust me, buy right now. Mods. Hey, you guys heard this? Hold on, you guys heard that for a second? Turn the volume up real quick. You guys didn't hear it. It goes from left to right. Do you hear that? Fire. How many pips did I give you on the 15-minute starter play? Oh, 10.
Like 10 or 11, yeah.
Oh yeah. I thought you took that. I saw it go up earlier when I was getting food, and I was like, oh, Marco's definitely in that.
The 15 salary is cowboy as fuck.
Because you're talking, but you're discussing. I'm like, ah.
Yeah, it's like you know it's gonna happen, but it's very cowboy. I guess with this kind of volume, it's not that bad. It's not that cowboy, but you didn't even have a 30 closure yet. Bullish.
XDR is triggered.
Yo, airstrike. Enemy AC 130.
Everyone trust him is guaranteed. Trust me, bro. Bro. Yo, this 30-minute count better close no bottom wick. Because if it does, then we have a higher probability to flip the other way for the 1 hour flip.
Ooh, GJ no top wick now either.
Ooh.
Actually, no, it's gonna have.
You'll have one. Yeah, you'll have one.
I lied.
It's got a lot of time. 1 second.
I need pal.
This 30 might just. Whoop. How did NYC open up here? Gold 30. Oh yeah. How big are 30-minute stops? I don't know. Because the last thing I want to do here is take a buy and then like have this right here happen. Cause you see how like this range formed and then you didn't get a breakout. Like, I don't want to be in that.
Maybe it'll just run without me, so I don't have to think about it.
Yeah, those are the best ones, no? And just
there
run.
It goes. Yep. Now we can just wait for the 1 hour. It's beautiful. See that, chat? Sometimes the market decides for you.
Yeah.
Now you can sit back and relax till 10 a.m. There it is. Now it's a 1 hour onion.
Nice.
You drive all the way, like make a nice big top wick, and then you fill it.
I hope I didn't talk you out of that trade because, like,
No.
for me, you know, like for me it was good, but like I didn't want to talk you out of the trade because like that's your.
No. Look at the 30. Zoom in. There's no bottom wick at all.
Yeah.
No
bottom wick and no top wick, basically.
I never want to talk about the trades. Like I just talk for myself, like talk for what I see and what I want. But like I'm not no fucking special guy or anything. I'm just like another guy like Wickstein says, right? Like, I never want to talk to people about the trades. Special analysis always.
Just another guy. Just
That's the thing. We always talk. Like I would say 9 out of 10 trades we talk about, we don't take. Like it's okay to see a trade and know it's coming but not take it. Like that's most trades honestly are. We know where it's going but don't take it
because do some sort of reason, right? It's lower probability or whatever
reason. Exactly. Like the probability is a little bit less than what our playbook has. It's okay to know where it's going and not take it. You didn't miss the moves.
But we expect things to play out. Like we knew we had a high chance accounts on the drive up here. There's just no bottom wick, no entries really for us, right?
Yeah, and the best part is like with these kinds of moves, like every single time you quote unquote like don't take it or miss it, it's just you go to the higher time frame and it's an even better confirmation. It's like if this 1 hour like were to close bullish like this, it'd be perfect. And then if you don't get the 1 hour, the 4 hour could close bullish, it'll be perfect. You know what I mean? It'll just go all the way.
We expect them buys for gold.
Shit, I was on mute.
We're gonna see it happen. We're gonna see what happens.
I was gonna say, yeah, like don't get me wrong, like the forward count could still flip at any given point on gold here. But Because keep in mind, like look where we close on the forward candle. We close above the range, right? So look left, like where do you have levels of interest? Right here. These are your potential levels of rejections here or either down here. But as long as this candle right here respects this low, this thing can flip at any given point. And that's what I'm gonna wait for it go to flip, and then my buys be above like 1938.205. But right now there's nothing much for me. It'll be a fake out on a 30-minute time frame, range 1 fake out. It'll be great. So I'll see what I do.
You could see it respect here and be a fake out because it already closed below in a smaller time frame.
Yep.
Oh.
And if it doesn't, then move on. No trades, like, you know, that's it. Still a good data overall, chat. I'm pretty sure we'll get something. It might be a bit late though. It might be like 10 a.m. probably. But there'll be something. There'll be tons of today to like 11 late session. 11, 12, right? So just stay calm. Lars G, welcome, man. Hope you're having a great time there. Yeah. Welcome. Much love. Thanks for supporting. Not gonna lie, chat. There's a lot of people now with the record in their YouTube. Right? Just make sure, you know, the record is legit. Because, man, it's crazy out here.
You know, the thing used to be like, oh, like, yeah, you don't have a YouTube channel, you don't have everything live, you can't prove it. Now you have everything live, it can be proven, but people will still change it up. And like in reality, like, who the fuck you're gonna go on somebody's channel? Who the fuck is gonna be like, nah, you know what? I'm gonna check their record and watch all fucking 300 streams for 4 hours. Ain't nobody gonna do that shit. They just take people's word for it on their record. And it's like, I don't know. Like shit. I don't know, for all you guys know, I'm fucking 188 and 0.
Yeah, like
undefeated, never lost.
Like at first it was a cool concept because it's like, oh shit, we got a record, we can do it, we can show our real stats, and then it gets like, fuck man, some people out here are just like putting like, I don't know, records that whatever don't line up.
Like, yeah,
I don't know. So that's when it gets a bit cringe, and that's when I don't want to put a record no more, because it's like, well, what's the point now? It's like you can just change it up, right? Like my record chat 32, 6 and 6 is exactly those trades. Like it's on a spreadsheet. But
we could go back, click on every single trade taken right there. It'll go back to that trade.
The link, everything, the time taken, you know, like everything is all here. But like, I don't know, like I don't want to do it no more, because it's like
people be like 9 and 4, take 12s in a row, and then they're like 14 and 2. I'm like, what the fuck?
I don't know, man. Just you know, I mean, record is useless. It's whatever, but it's just, I don't know. If you're gonna do something, do the right way. You know what I mean? That's all I'll say. Like,
oh, that's what we're talking about. Don't even get me started, man.
You have been caught.
I got hatred in my heart.
Really? Like pure fucking vile hatred, like
vile, no.
Like you can see a reason for them not existing.
No,
like,
I just like when people steal the flow and do it wrong, like they're capping about their record. I'm guessing that's what you were talking about. I was in the bathroom, but
oh yeah.
People are cappers, and we know because I check. I be checking. I'm like, let me see them wins. Let me see what do you constitute as a win?
No, every chat just in general, but like it says, I don't know. It's like we did it for a reason. We did it to show like what's the word, like to show, oh wow, rejection on gold, what's it called, to show
Transparency.
Be
transparent, yeah, transparent on stream, because last week people asked us, and that's why we did it. We didn't do it to flex. I didn't do it for more course sales. I can give, I can care less about that. I did it just so like we can show like literally our record on stream for the year and how much we improved from last year. But now people are doing it just like sell more courses, and it's like, bro, it gets very annoying,
tiring.
Yeah, it's like, why did we even do it in the first place then?
Well, like, think about yourself. Everyone that posts their profits, you guys should be posting your losses. Like, yo, the more accountable you are, stay accountable. The more accountable you are to yourself, the more progress you'll see. And there you go, Yusuf, progress. That's right. You're gonna see progress with accountability. And if you're lying about the simplest things, and if you're lying to yourself or to whatever, I don't know. Accountability, it goes a long way towards growth, development. But I mean, in trading, if you're doing sales, whatever. It's just most people that are on the streams, they're not here to buy a course. They're here to fucking learn, they're here to make a bag. He's either making a video for the gram or he's on mute.
Yep.
Fuck, I was saying, yeah, if you guys don't have the playbook out, go get the playbook. It's a free download, contrarifx.com. No charge, a 4-page PDF of all the trades we take throughout the year, like the same exact setups we take every single day. I pulled this up because someone discussed these buys on gold here, and you're gonna need this candle close bullish here. But if you get a bullish candle closure, you can get like a 30-minute onion play in about 20 minutes there, and a 1-hour closure as well to retest the highs. But it comes down to this outer count here, how we close especially. All right, just be patient here, man. No need to be in the mix right now. No need to be in the mix in the last 20 minutes here. Ignore the trolls say. No, like, I'm not even speaking for trolls. It's just like the industry in general. It gets so toxic, man. Not toxic. It gets so sus. Like, everything's so sus. Like, we just try our best to just provide, value, and just do the best we can to just provide whatever. But a lot of people just stir it up, and I don't know. It's like, what's the point of us doing it, right? But we're always gonna be true to ourselves. We're always gonna be doing what we're doing anyways. But still, it's annoying. Because the reason why we started streaming in the first place was because we tried to like change the FX industry. We tried to like make it a better community. Like, but obviously you can't change the community. It's people are people. People are people, and I guess you can't do anything about that.
That says people are stupid.
Yeah.
If I was gonna go with Ted on anything, that would be it.
Oh, 1 hour, 15-minute broke the lows, came back up on gold here. Looks like we're pushing P. Okay, so if we can break back above this range here, get a 1 hour close. Yo, Wixon, I know what you want here. All right,
I was just telling Marcos, like, while you were gone, that I really want this to
1 hour closing above the support here, and then next 4 count pops up. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's what you want here. And then next 1 hour count breaks the highs. That's your entry. Yeah, chat. 16 minutes left. All right.
Marcos was like,
exquisite.
"Hey, you're on gold?" On gold? I'm on GJ.
Exquisite entry.
The
Exquisite.
thing is, if GJ we get an entry, it's gonna be later than it is on gold day.
Yeah, GJ is be some time, I think. Maybe the 1 hour counter. Who knows?
Let's see.
Might pop up towards 163.
Giggity giggity.
16 minutes.
Fresh.
Hello guys, please go and try FX on YouTube. Please see us trades. Try at least 100 hours of your educational purpose. Then follow 1 month's live stream for free. Then you probably comment. Where's the playbook in Discord? It's in if you do it in the chat right now in the YouTube chat, it should pop up a link. Or go on controlfx.com. Controlfx.com. Where's my controlfx.com website? Hello.
It's at controllerfx.com. Pretty sure.
controlfx.com. Go on playbook. Sign up. It's a free sign up. Email. Boom. Free PDF. All right. You have a wallpaper. Do whatever you gotta do with the PDF. Do whatever helps you. Honestly, I should charge $1 for the playbook and then just put the $1 towards like donations or something. Whatever, it's too late now. Should have done that. Would have had like I think we had like 2K downloads, 3K downloads on that, so probably would have had 3K in that donations. Pretty cool. Not gonna lie, my cat said buy not buy. You have a cat? I mean, you have a cat?
What about the other 6 positions?
I watched Ultra from 9 April. That was the day before my birthday. What happened that day? Let's see, chat. Yo, by the way, thanks for 16.2K. Thank you. April 9. Let's go to that stream 11 months ago. Oof. Okay, this is from 2020. This is when I turned. This is when I was 19. Yo, 3 years of my age on live stream. That's crazy. 19, 20, 21. Oh, this is a pretty good position. Good job, Don. Nice position. You got a range 1 breakout. Why is RR negative though? All right. Oh well, it's okay. Price pushed up. Oh wow, stopped out.
Oh no, we suck again.
What happened 2 years ago? What happened this day? 20 pips negative. Oh boy. Oh brother. Jeez. All right, next day. Last year. What happened last year? Okay.
It was like one of those trades where I'm like, I can just cap off my week so well right now.
Who the fuck are all those people?
Jeez. Trades called section. Ooh.
Oh shit, Nuke's on this. Oh shit. Look. Locked.
Wow. All right, like these tabs, so many. Are
you tabbing?
My dad's birthday is also April. Yeah, we have a lot of Aries in the chat. Chat, how many of you guys are born in April? April 10th is my birthday. Everyone's April, baby. Aries.
Like some April babies.
Yo, when's your birthday, Wix? June? You look at summer or August something, right?
No.
Oh wait, no, it was September.
Yeah.
Yeah. September. Let me see. I remember the day. September. 20th.
New. How about new?
This weekend, 18th and 20th, right?
No.
11, 12?
No.
27.
No.
I don't know, man. Tell me. I know your birthday.
Well,
You missed the stream that day.
Guess and I'll tell you higher or lower.
Oh my god. 10th,
Higher.
17,
Lower.
16, 15.
16, yeah.
Ah, 16th. You're a September baby.
Yeah.
What's that? What's your horoscope?
Virgo.
Oh, you're a virgin. Nice.
Man's got like 3 kids.
Virgin Mary.
Virgin with 3 kids. April 24th. Nice. March 30. See, everyone's April. April 10 as well. Oh shit, that's why we connect. That's why we connect. See, everyone's September, baby. I mean April, baby.
January, baby.
January.
Anna has the same birthday as me. Look.
January kids always come out on top. Like every January kid comes out successful, man. Yeah, January kids always trade FX and catch NFTs and buy Ethereum at 2,900, 2,800 and hold till 3,500.
NFTs?
When's Gary V's birthday? Let's see what Gary V is. This guy probably a Scorpio, bro.
November.
Oh, is he a Scorpio? Oh shit, I do. Is that a Scorpio? Zodiac. Oh, he's a Scorpio. I knew a Scorpio. You know why I knew
You can
Scorpio?
kind of tell sometimes, right?
He's a
You can kinda
toxic ass. Yeah. Gary is funny though. I honestly don't believe in like the horoscope stuff, but I don't know. I don't really believe in it. It's like teachers their own, you know. Like who in chat believes in horoscopes and crystals and all that stuff? I don't know. I hardly even believe in manifestation. Like I do, but I don't. I don't know. Oh bullshit. I believe in IMO. Facts. Facts. You know, IMO would be indifferent. You know, when I go to bed at night, I eat food. I watch IMO events. I don't watch shows. I watch IMO events.
I light a little IML shaped candle.
You know, one time I was watching an IMO video when I was younger, and and in the video they said, yeah, so I took a trade today on USD Euro. And I was like, hold on, USD Euro, is that even a pair?
Yeah.
Was
Euro USD.
And they're like chairman, top tier. Like, I'm like, God damn.
Let's say, you know, they don't that the money's not from trading, right?
Yeah, they. I mean, they've been making how much does chairman 100 make, chat?
You have to make residual income. Residual.
Like, where's the IMO tier list?
Tier list. Should we make a devious tier list? Chairman 100, 25K per week.
Yeah, that's insane.
Crazy. With a 100K bonus.
What's it called? IMO what? Where you search up?
You have to recruit 5,000 people.
What?
Yeah, what's the IMO thing again? The list? Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, chairman 500 makes 125K a fucking week.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's hard work to get there, but like, here's my thing. If you know where you're getting into, and you know you're straight up scamming, like, not, I don't want to say scam, but you know you're straight up, you know you're straight up just like recruiting people, and you know that's what you're gonna do, and you give no fucks about training. You know that, okay, cool. Do you, brother? You're grinding towards that, cause you're making money or whatever. But like, if you know that, like, if you're telling people that you're making money trading and you're not, that's when it becomes an issue. It's like, well, why? Just tell people straight up. Just recruit people. Just recruit me. You know, like, you know, like.
Say, hey, we're marketing, get more people, and the more people you get, the more you make.
The irony behind it is it's impossible to be a high chairman and a good trader. You're not going to be able to focus on both.
Yeah.
It's impossible. You can never focus on both. So the irony is that to make your high residual income, you actually cannot focus on trading.
Yeah, and if you become a good enough trader where you
can't
can
focus
actually
on
tell
improving.
people that what you're doing, get 5,000 followers or 5,000 signups, you're probably not gonna need it because you're good enough trading. You're not gonna need that struggle. You're being
HFX,
honest
FRX,
about.
DCX. What am I looking at, man?
Just have some common sense.
We're going on a world tour.
It's your world tour, or your girls tour.
Hey, say what?
Yo, remember Drake's? Oh, Drake murdered Meek Mill with that line. Is a world tour? Is this your girls tour? Follow the magic indicator. Hey man, what do you call it? What do you call it? Gold cup? ADHD kicking in. I feel that on a Monday. Yeah, Chad, just sit in your hands here. Wait the last 5 minutes here, okay? It's okay. You caught 4 pips today. What's the worst gonna happen? You get no trades? Cool. Simple.
We got any charts for stream or just gonna...
Oh shit, yeah. I haven't checked in a while, man.
Since last week.
What's this? Someone send me. Oh, Raptors updates? Oh, that's cool.
Dude,
I don't really follow Raptors, but dope page.
dude's name in the Discord is Semi-Wop.
Alright, I'll let you guys review charts. You guys take turns here. We're gonna review a couple. Alright, Marcos, go first.
You always give me the fucking chalked one. It's
No, that's a good entry.
Yeah, I know.
It says
played out.
range.
Vertical last. Alright, I got it. Let's see. Range 1, range 2. I always get the freaking vertical chart, man. This is blasphemous. Range 2 breakout, closure below support, entered on the break of the lows, clean, stops above current candle. Stop loss to break even at 10 pips, close full at 40 pips. That's clean. Isn't that the trade we took? Yeah, that's clean. That's based on the, it looks like the 1 hour.
This is the oh, it doesn't
It's
even
the 1
show.
hour for sure.
Yeah.
That's the same trade we took. Yeah, that's a clean. I like how you marked up the ranges with colors, range 1, range 2.
Pretty neat. Pretty good chart on the phone, to be honest.
It's funny because that's not even how I looked at it, but same trade. Yeah, it's a good trade, Jabu.
Good shit. Yeah.
Let me guess. Let's see Wix 9s.
That's con man. All right, Wix 9s.
Wix 9 what?
Guarantee it's not vertical. Yup. Discrimination, chat.
Okay, we bearish. Look at that huge
You
gap.
Virgo, you
What
going
the
up?
What the fuck is that line? Or is that's a SMA?
Nah, it's just cover left eye, cover eye. You know.
Actually, I think the chart was better.
I don't know. I think it's an EMA probably. I don't know.
This is oil. This is oil. We're on oil. Closed
Yeah.
full position. Closure. You had. So where did you enter?
He entered. I can't zoom in.
I mean, this is a 30, so he entered in the middle of the wick.
Yep.
Okay. You had like I don't know. You had a WAP kind of happen. I guess. No, I mean it's fine. You had the onion. I would have waited for a larger wick up. But hey, I don't know. This is oil. I don't really trade oil. If it moves like that, I guess it moves like that. But stop loss was originally here. Yeah, it's a good stop. I think that current candle that you entered on, once it broke the previous hourly, that closed bear. I think it was good, but I would have waited for a steeper wick, and I would have missed it. Capiche? Good.
All right, I got this one. Ah, nice. 1 hour closure above the resistance. Range 2, enter on the rebreak of the current candle after current bottom wick. Lovely. Close full at 10 pips. Close to 4 hour support. Nice. Use current count stops and there's a counter trend trade. Yeah, range 2 breakout, right? Yeah, range 2 breakout. Yeah, that's clean. JXTR. Hella clean. Yeah. I think we were discussing this trade on stream earlier, and I guess you took it, right? No, this is NY. This is like NY. This is like a couple minutes ago. Like 9 a.m.
Oh.
You might get a 1 hour here. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. All right, I got you, Marcos. Here you go.
This was the best one.
Nah, it's a vertical. I got you. I
Trade
got you.
type 30-minute onion play sells after newest resistance form. Trade entry flip of the candle after making a top wick. Stop loss to break even at 10 pips. Secure partials. TP for 30 odd pips. 30 odd pips.
Why not 30 even pips?
30 odd pips. What does that mean?
I don't know. I think that's a saying.
I think 30 even pips is better.
That's clean though. What was that? 20 pip stop loss for? Yeah, it was good. RR.
19 pip stop loss. 40 pip TP. 41 pip TP.
Very nice. I think for me, I would have waited for the break of the lows just because it's like a weak bear. But
You know how much work it is to make a chart like that
On a phone?
on the phone, bro.
Like, that's a struggle. Damn.
Yeah, that's a lot of work. That's a lot of I said that's annoying. It's very tacky on a phone. But hey, good
30
shit, man.
odd. Oh, it means like around approximately.
We're not making fun of you. We're giving you props. Like that's hard shit.
No, I'm making fun of you.
I'll make it money.
It means approximately. Gotcha. Fairly odd pips with pippy as in per. What the? Speaking.
We know what it means.
They're speaking British
God damn
and
We're just for the sake of roasting. We know what the fuck it means.
Mm. 30 odd pips. Oh, the place is over. Gotta play it again.
Hey. 10 a.m.
10 a.m. closure. Weak bear. Could go celery. If you look left, it kind of respect that. Some support.
So what happened here?
Celery?
Okay, so 1 hour here close.
Respect.
Respect then, really?
Depends. There's so many supports. It depends which one you call support.
Well, all right. Let me just delete my chart because this thing is so messy. Okay, so I have a resistance up here. Oh yeah, right support. Yeah, you're right. Looking at this right here. This going across. Yeah, right support. And then your next resistance is somewhere up here. It's gonna be right around here at like 1944, I believe. So that becomes your resistance. So yeah, buys would be good if you break the 1 hour highs. You can get a nice wick fill, nice flip in the forward candle. Yeah,
60 stops.
40 pip. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good. This is good. This is good. Might get a 15-minute entry or something probably though. Yeah, Chad. Breaker the highs on a 1 hour candle at 1940. Not bad. How big are stops? You say 60 pips?
Yeah.
55. Okay, not bad. TP is somewhere up here.
Way up. I feel blessed. Like way up.
1948.
Yeah.
I'm way up. I feel
If you expect
blessed.
a week flip, if you're bullish, 1960.
Is this the bottom wick? I think it is. 1 hour bottom wick where it's tap. Yeah, this support right here. Yeah, chat. Buy stops on the break of the 1 hour highs. 1 hour sorry play. Not bad. Not bad. All right.
Fine. $1940.27 on Trader's Domain is where my stops are. What are you doing, Marcos?
Placing his buy stops.
No, I mean like I did 2.6, 2.5 pips.
Yeah,
1940.36.
Gonna be sick.
Really want a steeper wick here.
I think that might be it because like look where you're tapping into, right?
Yeah, I saw the support.
Well, 4
Just
flips
30,
too. Like
yeah.
4 flips here breaks the highs. Like minimum where we're going here is the wick fill. Like you should get 35 pips minimum here. And the
I
rest
have
runners.
that. You look at the 15. You have 30 pip advantage points. Pretty big ranges at 1943.
Got what wicks I wanted on a 1 hour this time too.
You're gonna get the wicks not special right now.
You can go half or something. The stops are a bit big.
Yeah, I'm way under. I'm at like almost. I'm like close to quarter risk.
What's your TP?
I got TP. So I have like first TP. I have like TP at 1949, but
Makes sense. Makes sense.
I can see it going higher. I don't know. I don't want to be greedy because I could easily just take another trade later after this one. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll probably.
Cause daily runners like.
I'm gonna hold full.
Weekly.
I'll close half at 30. I'll close half at 30 if we get there. I don't know.
Yeah, stops breaking at 10, half at 30, or 20. I might close half at 10 again. And then let the rest run. Close another 25% at like 1945 and let the rest run towards like TP overall. I guess 48. I may leave runners. I don't know. I may leave runners towards
I'm hoping we get more than 10 on our first push. Like if we break the 1 hour highs with volume and just get like a quick 20, 30.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think 20 is doable completely.
If you look on the 15, there's nothing really stopping us once we break the highs. Also take, yeah, I could take a 10-15 entry at on the 15 minute. If you close bullish, that'd be kind of cowboyish, but.
Oh no, I'm gonna wait for the safe entry here. Yeah, GG broke the 4 lows.
Did it?
Oh no, about to. This 4 kind of looks like it should drive down here. Looks like the move's gonna get like retraced. 4 close bearish curve top wick. All right, so you're just breaking into weird ranges here. There's no trades, but looking good. Will the streak end? I think we're in like a mini streak right now. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not bad. Yeah, Trash. It's basically just a 4 candle flip. The whole idea behind that trader is the fact that you have a resistance here on a 4-hour time frame. You got a bottom wick. You spent the first hour and a half creating a bottom wick. So once you re-break the highs, you should drive up towards this resistance. 45, 42. Should be a nice 4-hour candle going up like this. Pretty simple trade. Just off the 4-hour time frame, right? Pretty simple concept, not simple trade. Simple concept.
Yo, shout outs. Got shout outs to, oh wow, a lot. Shout out to Keelan, Keelan.dvs, MaximJohnson.dvs, DaveJones.dvs, Mr. JXTR.dvs, It's Overtime.dvs. Hey yo.
Yo, follow them. I can't follow on this page.
I just did. We're up to 25 now.
DVS.
Oh, and it's Suri.
GXTR DVS. Conman DVS. Oh shit, I'm on the wrong account. Oops.
Hold that.
Sorry guys. Screenshot that and just leave it.
Okay.
Control effects only follows one person only, and that's DVS. Alright.
I'll fake.
Yeah.
God.
Oh. Shout out to it's Khaled.dvs. Hey, yo.
Man, stops got too big of to delete buy stops.
I know.
Because like if you re-break this lows, man, you might just drop all the way down to where it's here.
Yeah, I would take if we get like a bullish 30 closure and then 1 hour break of the highs, you could use 30 stops. I don't know. This is the safest entry though, the 1 hour salary. Shout out peanut.dvs, bro. That has to be MM. magicmike.dvs. It's a movement. 1,300 followers right now on stream. We need 17 more at Stay Devious.
How many more accounts? Oh, that's
We need
so
16
dope.
more followers. Did I miss anyone? No, I didn't miss anyone. Oh, it's Suri.dvs. Got him.
Yeah, I got rid of my buy stops here. It's fucking
Massive stops, man. I mean, hold on.
It's 75 pip stops here.
I know. Gotta use current 15 stops or something.
It's big ranges, but like, you gotta manage risk.
WFX.dvs, nice. DVS movement going crazy.
If it flips, it's gonna drive, but I'd rather see it flip in a different manner.
Yeah, chat. No one should be in buys right now. There's a buy stop here, right? And it's not a buy execution, right? It's a buy stop, and it's there for a reason. It's there specifically there for a reason. It's not because it's my lucky number. It's there because once you break those highs, the 4 count with volume should drive further up. But obviously the stops get too big, which looks like it may get too big here. I may have to wait for the 15 closer. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna delete the buy stops because I mean, what stops am I gonna use, man? The 70 pip stop right now.
Not expecting drawdown, to be fair.
I'm not expecting drawdown either, but fuck, stops. It's the original stop, right? The original RR of the trade is gonna be tough. Maybe we can use 15-minute stops. I mean, if the 15 closes, it's the current 15, I guess. If it closes above and spawn wick, boom, pops. But using current 1 hour, 4 hour stops is a lot more probable, or 1 hour stops is a lot more probable than using 15 stops because the 15 break lows and the 1 hour can still respect. GS sells, you probably want to take sells once you break below like 161,643, probably below here. Below here, you have a nice range going down for like 80 pips, so it's not bad. Wix, don't tell me you wanted a 1 hour bearish closure. Now you want a 30-minute bearish closure as well.
Thing is, the 15 resistance is right here. It's a little higher, so.
Plus stop loss. We always have stop loss.
We could get a next 15 celery, which would probably be valid. Up to the buy stops.
Shout out NathanFam.dvs. This is nice. I enjoy this.
The community growing.
I like the shout outs.
Pretty cool. Hey, chat, thanks for being here, by the way, today. It's been a pleasure being a host again. Much love.
This is nice.
It's a good day today, you know. Good vibes today, I think. Start off a little slow, a little rusty on a Monday, but, you know, got active. Same new day, same toy. What was it? What's on?
Wait, what did you say?
New day, same toilet seat.
Same shit,
Oh,
different
same
toilet
shit,
seat.
different toilet seat. Yo, chat, what's your favorite quote from Wix9? That's my favorite quote.
Same shit, different toilet seat.
Yeah, that's my favorite quote. Because people quote you a lot. I see
Yeah,
it.
there's a lot of quotes. Yeah, there's.
Where do you get these quotes from? Do you read a lot?
Not anymore.
But like, I was off from like when you used to read. Close your eyes and buy. That's not works. That's Ted's.
I'm just very. I'm like a sponge when it comes to knowledge that I like, and like when it's stuff that I don't need, I tend to get rid of it and forget it very quickly.
Ah, so that means you like the art shit. We suck again. Yo, where's that
That's
from?
from a movie.
Yeah,
that's from the Water Boy, where like they got him on a pitchfork, and so when he's like, "I gotta quit," and they're like, "Oh no, we suck again." What's his name? That's right there.
Where is it? It feels too long.
He's in the.
We suck again. What's the Water Boy again? What movie was this?
This is funny as shit.
These are all iconic Sandler movies.
Yo, Adam Sandler's fucking funny. Uh-oh.
Movie is so fucking funny.
I still got buy stops.
15 closest doji. I still got buy stops too. I'm trying to figure out what stops are like.
I'm just gonna hold full, treat it like a normal with the risk management, BE 10 pips, and see what happens.
I'm gonna have to go quarter risk or something.
I'm like fourth risk. I'm like, yeah,
one quarter risk.
But then is it really worth taking the trade?
Well, you
know
take
what
it.
I mean?
It's so high probability. It's so high probability setup, right?
It's 100% still valid, no matter how big the stop is. It's the same. You know what I mean?
The
It's the
ranges
same.
that are big.
It's the same trade if it's a 100 pip stop loss or a 10 pip stop loss.
Yeah, same structure, same price action.
Then why manage risk?
I might use my current count stops, 15 stops, to be honest, on this flip. 15 close bullish above that support, create a bottom wick. This 15 shouldn't flip bearish, wants to drive up here. Yep. Current stops. Let's see, chat. Let's see what it do.
I think I'm gonna think about this right here.
I'm gonna think about it. When you gotta think about it, you don't enter those. If you gotta think about it, you can't enter it.
I'm thinking about raising my buy stop another pip higher. Because if it goes right, what's the difference?
Here's
if
the
I get
thing, right?
12 or 14 pips.
We got a 60 pip, 70 pip, 100 pip target. Like, it's alright. Ain't bad. It's still a really good RR.
Yeah, even if even if to the next nearest resistance, it's still a positive RR. And like technically speaking, like if you're leaving runners expecting the weekend to flip, yeah, I mean your target's to be up like 19.58 anywhere.
Oh, absolutely. Look, we closed above range. We created a bearish candle, which means we formed resistance above previous resistance. Now we're gonna break this bearish candle going up. Like, where else are we gonna go? All right, the higher time frames dictate that we're gonna go up, but 75 motherfucking pips.
Cool quarter risk.
Quarter risk.
Yeah.
Well, also, I'm really not expecting too much shot.
You lose this trade. You're losing. You're still in profit for a day from that first trade if you go quarter risk.
Yes, that is important. This is facts. I made sure of that.
I mean, now on a spreadsheet, it wouldn't look good, but overall, like you're still gonna be like going quarter risk, right? So it's like you're going a lot less risk. Because the first trade I went full risk. That was like a third pip stop. 25. Let's see. 4 is clean here.
I got my buy stop 1940.27.
Convince Wix.
Someone said 45th trade of the day incoming.
How big are stops there? Current stops are 38 pips, so it's not bad stops. You might be using current stops or 30-minute stops?
Current 1 hour.
Yeah.
I think it's the same. Yeah, it's the same stops.
No, 15 stops, my bad.
15. There's no bottom wick on the 15.
There is. It tapped that support.
Oh, yeah.
Because it just closed above, right? And it tapped that support. I guess that's the bottom wick.
I mean, if I already used 15 stops.
I mean, if it activates, you wouldn't expect this 15 to just flip back bearish, create a bond wick, right?
And like I said, I'm really not expecting drawdown in this position.
Should be a quick.
I'm expecting when there's a 70 pip stop loss, you typically get your 10 pips right away. Obviously, I'm not going to close any at 10 personally, but I will move my stops to break even. You're going to close half though at 10, right?
Yeah, I'm closing half at 10 in the restaurant, even if it's small risk. I'm just gonna. That's it.
I don't mind. I don't mind attempting runners here, just for the vibes. We are tapping. There is a 4-hour minor resistance, but with volume after that big of a.
Be real nice if we close just bullish, you know.
Yeah, and then you can use current
on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I use current next 1 hour stops. But that's in 40 minutes.
If it gets to like 10:45, I would wait for that.
4 or 5 trades of the day.
I think you expect this 30 or the next 30 to just tap 1941.5, that 30-minute resistance.
Yeah, stops. Stops are optional. You can use Marcos stops, quick stand stops. Like our original stops, or we use 5-minute stops or 15-minute stops. Sorry.
These shits is optional.
5-minute stops. 5-minute stops are 38 pips. 1 hour stops are gonna be 70 pips. Right. Overall, like the trade idea is, it's all there. Like everything makes sense in this trade. There's no really flaw for me in this trade. It's just stops are a bit bigger, but I cut my losses. I cut my my lot size and quarter of my original risk.
There we go. Exclamation point NGL.
Someone got in right now. Right, because we want to answer in a break at a highs. I mean, the flip is fine, but the flip is like it might hover here because it might flutter because it doesn't know what to do yet. If it breaks the highs, you might see a push up for volume, but if it flutters here, it's like it might just range in this area for a bit before it pops. So it's up to you. I mean, I'm getting on the break at the highs. That's my conservative venture. But this 5-minute push should drive it up.
Oh, I'm activated.
Oh, nice. Got activated chat. Got on a buy there. There we go. Oh, nice. Got on a buy.
Boom.
Gonna move my stops to break even.
I'm break even. I just
that was all
10.
discussed before. Gonna close half my positions as well right here. There's no draw on that trade, like Marco said. And now we have a risk-free trade going up towards TP.
Chat, just
yo,
feast your
yo,
eyes.
Hold
Feast
on.
your eyes.
Just imagine.
What do we say? No drawdown.
Imagine the market is Chris Rock. You are Will Smith.
What do we say, Chad?
And
No
this bitch
drawdown.
just said something about your wife.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
What do we say, Chad? I closed half at 20:22.
We filthy McNasty.
Now we attempt runners.
There's no reason, like the buy stop. Oh, there it is. Break even. That's it.
Oh!
That's the day.
How do I feel like I got slipped on that stop loss?
You probably did get slipped in that stop loss.
I did.
Tell me you lost money.
No, I didn't lose money. Hell no.
I got slipped 7 pips on
3
that
pips.
stop.
I got slipped 4 pips on my stop.
No, 7 pips. 8. I'm sorry. 8 pips. 8 and a
That's
half
8 pips on the
pips.
stop?
8.5 pips.
What was your entry?
But-
My entry got slipped. I got in favor.
So I got slipped 8.5 pips, but I closed 13 pips. So I'm about 5 pips
Yo.
in profit on that trade, but
5-minute create a bottom wick there.
I'm not gonna complain about those 8 pips.
Yeah, it's not
No,
very much.
me neither.
Like I'm gonna complain if I got slipped like 25 pips just now on this.
Well, here's the funny part. I got my entry was 2.7 pips early in favor, and then my stop loss got slipped backwards 4 pips against me. So net slippage 1.3 pips.
Well, yeah, like you can't complain about that shit. Like
Yeah,
we won
no,
the
no.
trade, it's a dub. And even
It's
though
a
we didn't make,
dubski. Yeah.
like it was a smaller risk, you know, on a quarter risk, I made altogether between the win and the slippage.
Yeah, I won.
5 lots.
I made money. That's all that matters. Make money.
Make
Yeah, chat.
money,
No one
money,
should have
make
lost in
money.
that trade there. Like, you close half, like, you risk free. There's reasons why we closed half, right? There's a minor resistance on the 4-hour time frame, 1 hour minor resistance. So, yeah, that's it.
We said it too. We were like, not gonna expect drawdown here. We're like, you see this happen every time. in the
Yeah.
market. It makes such a big bottom wick, and when you have like a 70 pip stop loss, for example, you're gonna get your 10 to 20 pips very quickly.
Yeah, definitely not gonna write an email about this slippage, but
Yeah, that's where you gotta know where you fight your battles with your liquidity providers. Like that's not one that you should be met. Like us for
yeah,
our situation. I don't know what everyone else's
we're
situation.
fucking winners today.
What, was there news? What happened there? What even happened?
That's classic technical analysis right there.
No, because like they didn't tap the limit resistance. It just kind of popped. Like what happened?
It did. Look at the 30.
Oh, 30. I guess 30. Yeah, I guess I can say that. I guess you could say that.
Broke the 1 hour highs for the celery, smacked resistance, smacked back down.
Yep. And that's it, chat.
Someone said manipulation. No, bro.
No, brother. You tap the
cookie
resistance, and that's it.
crumbles.
We knew it. We called it step by step before it happened. Like
Way before that buy stop was there for like a good 30 minutes.
the person that got manipulated was the people who didn't close any. You got manipulated.
I mean, like that's a big thing with like signals. So like you have to be aware of the way like your mentor or whoever your signal provider trades, so you know like when to their closing positions, when to expect go and break even. Like I'm sure Don didn't write out a signal for that, or did you?
I did.
You also gotta get used to like,
go break
And
even.
guess
like,
what?
by the time somebody
Move stops break
receives
even.
it-
Close 3% here at 10 pips. All
Yeah.
done.
But by the time somebody receives it and realizes what to do, like you really have to be in tune. If
Yeah.
you're not in tune, you're gonna be late on everything. Like
Well,
you probably lost money.
It's why
You know
in the
what I mean?
signals we put like beforehand. We put like, oh, if you guys are in profit by 10 pips, and stops to break even. Like before like they even, get into the trade. Just so that they're aware. What was that? Buy? That was what was that? What do you call that trade? Seller play?
seller play. 1 hour seller play.
For 1 hour seller play. 1 hour seller play.
Yes.
Wix 9 special.
That was all on the 1 hour.
1 hour seller play. Oh yeah, it was a 1 hour seller play. Yeah. I'm tripping. Breakout. And then half risk, and then 10, and then
What's that on our record? Did you update the record?
my record now is 19 for the month.
Notice how when I was looking at Awando, I was like, I definitely could tell I just got slipped, and then I checked my phone.
There you got slipped.
Yeah,
Because you could tell when the market is
Yeah.
gonna, it's not in your control. The market can toss you along like a rag doll if it wants. You can just tell when like stuff like that will happen. It's like side effects of the market, and that's why we manage risk and close half and all that stuff too, because stuff like that happens.
Chat, it was done. It was put on the screen beforehand. Like there was literally no reason. Could've lost my
No more
trade.
trade.
You already
Yeah,
changed the
more
record?
trade.
yeah, I
Is that the
did.
20?
That's the
No,
record. That's the record. Nah, that's the.
Trade's taken. You gotta add it there.
Oh yeah, trade's taken. Oh yeah.
Big dubs.
Yep. Good call,
Big
Marcos.
dubs today. Locked in.
Yeah, 40 got 10. What more can you ask for, Chad? 2 wins, right? That's the session. Time to do a wordo.
Locked in and locked in.
Let's do
Yeah,
Wordo.
this
Let's
is
do
like-
Wordo.
this is like the perfect step by
Yeah.
step of how to have a successful trading stream.
See you later, chat. Close you up.
All right. See you later. Let's see. Chat, if you guys
What's
are
the
leaving
word of
now,
the day?
have a good day. Don't return over leverage. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, right? If you guys are leaving now, we're going to do a Wordo and then we're going to leave after. You guys want to stay for that?
What's the word of the day?
Trade. You always got to do trade. No matter how hard it is, no matter how stupid it is, you got to do a trade.
You gotta be consistent. Oh no, we suck again.
Maybe like start with a D. I was thinking that.
The
He
D,
always
yeah.
starts with the D.
Hey there, Delilah. No, go Horde. Oh no, there's no E.
What?
Oh yeah. Oh, there's no A. Bofa.
Pardon?
Go D. Oh, doors. You could do two O's. Come on. Oh, there's no R.
No
There's no
R.
D-I.
No, I think it starts with D, bro. It's with the words in here.
Oh, maybe it ends with a D. It ends with a D. Like true, like food or something. Like
What? 5 letters, food.
Yeah, foods.
How's that in a D? S, no.
No, yeah, you could do oh, cloud. There we go. It's not bad.
Pretty good guess.
Oh, decent.
Oh, that's
decent.
pretty good. Good guess. W.
Oh, so something O-U-R-D. Gourd. Oh, there's no R. S-H. No, it can't be shroud. Oh, pound. Pound.
Pound yen?
Pound yen?
Pound yen?
No.
Ground. No.
Sound.
Yo, I can see sound. You guys know that?
Whoa!
Found.
Oh, careful.
Oh, found.
Yeah, let's go.
No, that could have been so many
And the
words.
streak continues.
And
That
the
could've been-
streak continues.
That could have been mound, bound. Like we could have lost there. Pound.
If we started thinking about it, we would have lost.
Yeah, we had to just like go quick fire.
With the most obvious answer.
Yeah, it could have been round, like found. I mean, there's so many words.
It's I.
We take those.
Yep.
Where's chat? What was chat saying? Round, found.
3 W's today.
Yep.
Yo, this gym work, this leg day is about to hit. Kind of excited now.
Are you?
Yeah.
Me too. I'm excited for your leg day.
Thank you. Yesterday I did this cardio. It was 30 minutes on a 15 incline, 3.5 speed. Kind of fire.
You're a savage. 3.5.
3.5 speed at 15 incline, man, for half hour. It felt like a ruck march.
Ah, man, I can't relate to that.
I was sweating, bro. I was like,
You
whoa.
should get some ankle weights.
Nah, I could ruck again, but rucking is like it hurts my shins really bad. But I don't know. I did for aerosol, I did a 12-mile ruck, 3 hours. That was rough. That was the most pain I've ever felt in my whole life, bro. When I got back at the end of the 12 miles, I sat down and I cramped up in every muscle. Like I was just struggling.
You need a cold bath or
I needed some Jesus. That's what I needed.
go find Jesus.
I was trying to stretch and they were like, I was getting yelled at again. I was like, no, what's going on? Couldn't even straighten my leg out.
Damn, 2 doves. Look, the viewers dropped in half.
They dropped the word on. Yeah, chat. That's it for me, cat. I will catch y'all guys tomorrow. All right, at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Have a good day. Have a good session. Don't trade off leverage. Call it a day, guys. Nothing much to trade here left. All right. And yeah, come back tomorrow. AGGRO week should be a pretty good, interesting day tomorrow as well. All right, so
See you tomorrow.
see you guys. Love you guys. Peace out.
Peace and love.
Peace out. Thanks, mods. Thanks, moderators. W. Corp call. Later. Peace out, chat. Peace out. Peace out.